Hello, good afternoon, all the JEE enthusiasts. Welcome, minions. This is Shreyas here. I hope you can hear me. You can see me properly. Let me know in the chat box, and we are going to start our session right away. Good afternoon, all the dear JEE enthusiasts. Good afternoon, minions. Can you see me loud? Can you hear me loud and clear? Can you see me properly? Hello, Ankit. Hello, Sakti. Hello, Mahesh. Hello, Pranav. Hello, TNC. Good afternoon. Hello, Vikram. Welcome, Vaibhav. Good afternoon, all the minions. Hi, Deshik. Hi, Dhruv. Hello, Sanchit. Nice to see all the minions out here after a lovely, Super 60, amazing Super 60 questions series that we had yesterday. We are here and so many concepts in fact got repeated, and you will see that during the discussion as well. Hi Srihari, welcome. Hello, join in Rutuja. Hello Anu. Hello Deepika, Dhanush, Vignesh. Welcome aboard everyone. So let's begin. And this is Shreyas here. I'm the master teacher for physics, and I not only teach on YouTube but also on the regular paid platform of Vedantu. So I'm pretty sure many of you would have already seen me over there. And in case you haven't, well, I have been teaching for quite some time now, and under my guidance, many of the students have got really great ranks in IITs, NITs, and now they are creating a lot of wonderful things. Many of them have even graduated and in top-notch industries out there. So if you want to know more about me, you can definitely follow me on Shreyas_Vedantu, which is my Instagram handle. So let's begin. And before we begin, actually, just do one small favor for all of us. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will get notifications, all the important updates and all the important series that we are going to conduct for the next mains attempt, for the boards, for advanced and any other competitive exams. So this is your one-stop solution, one-stop destination for all of you out here for your JEE preparation, for your board preparation, that you guys have faced a lot of difficulties, especially for looking for a channel in English, and this is an English medium channel for all of you. Nice to see all of you. Yes, even JEE 2023 students can join in. And if you're already here and subscribed, do not forget to smash that like button out there, because we need your love and we need your support out here. Yes, Jagdish, a lot of questions also came from Zero to Hero series, from our mock test, and even from our Sure Shot 60 series as well. Welcome aboard everyone. Hi Param, hi Jitendra. Welcome. So Rutuja will be starting JEE 2023 very soon. Hold on, bacha. We are going to do it. Yes. So let's begin. And also let me remind you, the vote is going to start within just 2 days. And I'm pretty sure many of you would have already guessed what vote is. So come prepared. And first time in our country, even the kids are going to vote. And let's see what this vote is. Just hold on for some time, just few more days to go, just 2 more days to go, and then you'll know what vote is. So here comes the first question. Here comes the first question out here. And before going to the first question, let me also ask all of you, how was the difficulty level if you compare it with February attempt? Was it more difficult? Was it less difficult? Did you find it very lengthy? Did you find it very easy? Did many questions come from our series, whatever we were conducting? How was it? How did you guys find it? All right, it was hard, very difficult. Acha, interesting. Well, here is the first question. A lot of you are saying it was difficult. Some of you are also saying simple. But I'm seeing that more or less people are saying it was hard. All right. So here's the first question. Heat and work are extensive, intensive, path or point functions? Guys, the answer is very simple. See, extensive variables, intensive variables are those variables which depend on the, amount of matter, or which are independent of the amount of matter. Now, it's not about extensive and intensive. These are path functions and point functions. Well, it's one of them. Think about it. Which one is this? It is a path function. Guys, work depends on the path. I hope you have seen the state diagrams and all of that. So remember, in a PV diagram, if you have a PV diagram, if this is one state, this is second state, how you go to that state matters. If you reach that state in 2 different ways, the amount of work done is also different, because the work done depends on the area under the curve, and heat also depends on the work done because of the first law, because Q is delta U plus work. Remember this first law. So if work changes, Q will also change. So both are path functions. They are not point or state functions. Extensive and intensive, no, they are not extensive or intensive variables, because these extensive variables or intensive variables will be like temperature, density and all those things. They are not going to be extensive and intensive variables. Don't worry about it. It was very simple. It was path function. Everybody clear about it? Let's get moving then. Shall we move ahead, guys? Shall we move ahead? Yes. All right. Here comes the next question up here on the screen. Good afternoon, Jahid. Yes, Akshay Kumar saying it's easy. Wow, we have Akshay Kumar. All right, nice name. So yes, if you have your papers tomorrow or even day after tomorrow or even in the afternoon, guys, watch this session. A lot of questions might be repeated just like it happened in the February attempt. All right. So point function is like state function. Okay. Satyendra Kumar Singh, so its point function is like a state function, like temperature, volume, entropy. These are all point functions or state functions. Think of it that way. All right. So how about this question? Find the current in, all these, the resistors. So let's do this. First of all, let's figure out what is the total resistance of the circuit. First of all, what is the total resistance of the circuit? So for that, these 3 kilo ohms, 3 kilo ohms and 3 kilo ohm resistors together will make 1 kilo ohm resistor. I hope this is understood. So this will be the total resistance will be 5 kilo ohm plus the 333 together will make 1 kilo ohm. 333 are in parallel, so it will be 1 kilo ohm, and this one extra one resistor in series, so plus 1. So is it not going to be 7 kilo ohm? So the total current that will flow in the circuit will be total voltage divided by total resistance, which will be 21 divided by 7, which is 3 amperes. I hope this is clear, guys. Now if this is 3 amperes, that 3 amperes is going to get divided equally. 1, 1 and 1. So 1 ampere each will get divided equally. So the answer will be 3 ampere and 1 ampere. That's the answer. Yes, correcto. Minions have answered it. Excellent, guys. The correct answer is option A, 3 amperes and 1 ampere. Very good. Excellent. How many of you got this in the actual examination? Well, I think it should have been, yeah, ohms. Yes, thank you for pointing it out. It was if it is kilo ohms, then I think this should be milliamperes, not amperes. Thank you for pointing it out. So if this K is not there, then the answer will be in amperes. All right. So we are not sure what exactly the question was, because all these questions are based on memory, guys. So so the students have come outside the exam hall and they have told us, see, this was the kind of question which came. So based on their knowledge, we have been giving you these solutions. So if it is 5 ohms, etc., then the answer will be in amperes. All right. If it is kilo, then it will be in milliamperes. All right. So that's how it works. All right. Cool. Let's get moving. So, well, if it was a numerical question also, no problem. You at least now know how to solve it and you know the final answer. All right. Cool. Here's the next question coming up on your screen based on Vernier caliper, length of a main scale. In fact, yesterday only in Sure Shot 60, I did this kind of a question. And if you have attended Sure Shot 60 series yesterday, we have done this. In fact, these kind of questions have been done repeatedly on our channel. So if you are one of those minions who attend our sessions regularly, then this question would have been a cakewalk for all of you. So guys, don't miss out on the next opportunity. If you are going to give the future exams, do not forget to hit the subscribe button down there so that you do not miss any discussions what we do over here. So what is given in the question is that the length of a main scale division of a Vernier caliper is A centimeters, all right, or A units or whatever. So this is, A centimeters or whatever, A units. This is one main scale division. Now it's given that n minus 1 divisions of the main scale. So like that, you have n minus 1 divisions, all right, of the main scale. They coincide with, all right, how many divisions? All right, they coincide with n divisions of the Vernier scale. So you have n divisions of the Vernier scale, guys. So this is Vernier scale. So what is 1 division of Vernier scale going to be? Think about it. What will be one division of Vernier scale? Think about it. How much is this? How much is one division of Vernier scale? The total length. What is the total length? N minus 1 multiplied by A. N minus 1, A is multiplied N minus 1 times. The whole thing divided by N, because the Vernier scale is divided into N parts. Everybody getting it? Everybody getting it? Thank you, Ankit. I know you're a regular minion. Glad to know that. And I know you have been very regular. All right. So this is the division length of one Vernier scale division. All right. Now, what is the least count? The least count is, remember, the modulus of one division of main scale minus one division of Vernier scale. Correct? That's what it is. That's what it is. So what is the length of one division of the main scale? Well, one division of the main scale is given to be A. And what is one division of Vernier scale? That's given to be N minus 1 times of A divided by N. Now what will happen? This will become A minus A plus A by N. Correct? Just expand that bracket. Simple mathematics. A and A gets cancelled and you will have the answer as A by N. Where is it? A by N centimeters. That's the answer. C. Very good. Understood? Very good. Excellent. How many minions got this? I hope this question was there. And Venu, my blessings, my best wishes are always there with all the minions out here who are going to write the exam today, tomorrow and forever. We are going to form a bond. Not just till JEE, but forever, guys. We are there with you forever. Anytime you feel, demotivated, low, or you need some help, always reach out to us. We are always going to be there. Very good. Excellent, Soma Prakash. Excellent. Let's move ahead with the next question. All right. All right. And here we go. Madhu also says +4. Very good. A by N centimeters was the answer. Now the next question, based on moment of inertia. Sujal, I think today's exam was moderate. It was not very easy, but I feel it was moderate. Well, find the moment of inertia about the axis. About the axis, assuming all these rods are massless, and these are all point masses. These are all point masses. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. A lot of you are saying B. I don't know. Let's figure this out. Now to do this problem, see, first of all, understand this is the axis. Well, I think it's not marked over here, but well, I'll tell you what, this was the axis. This was the axis about which it is rotated, and this is basically parallel. These two lines are parallel. It is a square. What is the length of each side? The length of each side is L. Keep this in mind. The length of each side is L. Now, first thing that you must do is draw perpendiculars, because these masses are going to go in circles like this. Think about it. These masses are going to go in circles like this. So this mass will go like that. So this will be the radius. All right, this will be the radius. Think about it. This will be the radius. Okay, now how much will this be? Well, this is L, and if this angle is going to be 45 degree, why? Because of symmetry. The diagonal makes 45 degrees, guys. I hope this is clear. So if it makes 45 degrees, shouldn't this be L by root 2? Shouldn't this be L by root 2? All of you are understanding this. This will be L by root 2. Same way, all right, even this distance over here, all right, this distance over here should be, think about it, it will be L by root 2. Correct? This should be also L by root 2. Similarly, this point to this point, be careful, this will be exactly double of that. So 2 times of L by root 2, which will be L root 2. So this will be L root 2, this point from this point. All right, that will be 2 times of L by root 2, L by root 2 plus L by root 2. 2 times of L by root 2, which is L root 2. Now, if this much is clear, think about it. This mass is a point mass on the axis, so it will not have moment of inertia. So when you are finally writing it down, the total moment of inertia will be moment of inertia of this mass. It's a particle on the axis, so it's going to have 0 moment of inertia. This particle is at a distance of L by root 2, so m into L by root 2 whole square. Similarly, this point mass, guys, this point mass, think about it, m into L by root 2 whole square plus, what about this mass, guys? Well, this mass is going to be again m and L root 2 whole square. So you're going to get ml square will be common everywhere. This will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. Half plus half is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 ml square should be the answer. I hope this is clear. 3 ml square. Yes, glad Harisudan Ramaswamy. Yes, it's definitely going to help you. In fact, no matter which exam you're going to write, BITSAT, CET, any exam that you're going to write, all these questions will always help you. Doesn't matter whether you're just writing tomorrow's exam. Glad you guys are here. Nice to see all the different institute students also here. So guys, that's the power of online education. That's the power. You know, some years back we couldn't discuss all these things right after the exam. Thanks to online, thanks to YouTube, thanks to the internet, thanks to all the efforts put by so many people, be it technical, be it product, be it the teachers, be it the backend, be it the content team, everyone. Thanks to all these people, thanks to all the students, in fact, for supporting us, for giving us all the answers based on their memory. We are giving all these questions. We are able to come over here and give you the correct answers. We are able to discuss the paper so that it is going to help you for the next session, or just to make sure that you realize what mistakes you did and get a sense of how difficult, easy paper was, and to also help you analyze the paper. So let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. Well, 3 ml square was the answer. And guys, if you have any kind of doubts, do not forget that you can always write comments in the comment section after the video ends. It will not open up now, after the video ends. And you can also please share this video with all your friends so that we can make this community grow larger and larger. Come on, after all, we are doing all this for free of cost for all of you. And that's all we want. We want your love and support. That's it. Here is the next question coming up on your screen. Well, so a body is moving in a vertical circle with time period of 40 seconds. If the radius is 20, mass of the body is 200, then find the normal reaction along the vertical side of the path. So what it means is that, well, so the body is somewhere here, let's say. All right, the body is somewhere here. All right, and there will be forces acting on it, like you will have mg. All right, and then you are also going to get the normal force. All right, and all of that, and maybe you might have friction and all those other forces, but that's not important. You will also have the centrifugal force if you're in the rotating frame. So that's what you're going to get. Now the question is, what is the normal when it is on the vertical side, when it is over here? So guys, so Yalini, I think the paper was moderate. It was not as easy as the February. It was just moderate, but it was not difficult for sure. Okay, thank you Vandanavi Kulkarni, thank you so much. All right, so guys, what is the way to solve this? The normal force will be equal to the centrifugal force. And what is the value of centrifugal force? It is m omega square into r, correct? That's the value of centrifugal force. Now first, I need to find out omega. So what is the formula for omega? It is 2 pi divided by time period. So what is the time period? It's given to be 40 seconds. So 2 pi by 40, which is nothing but pi by 20, correct? It's pi by 20. So substitute that here. Be careful, mass is in grams, so convert it. It is 0.2 kg. Omega, it's pi by 20 whole square. And what's the radius? Radius is 20 centimeters, which is again 0.2. So 0.2 into 0.2, I can write it as, oops, once again. Yeah, I can write it as 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 into pi square divided by 20 square. Well, that's going to be 400. Correct? So that 4 and that 4 will get cancelled. This will become 100. So this will become 10 to the power minus 4. All right. So this will become 10 to the power minus 4 multiplied by pi square. But pi square is 10. Keep this in mind. Pi square is 10 approximately. So you can write it as 10. So it will become 10 to the power minus 3 newtons. So that is going to be option A. Is that clear? How many of you minions got it? How many of you got it, minions? Let me know. Vikram says A. Som Prakash says A. DJ Rocks also says A. All right. Very good, Naveen. Very good. Excellent. Yes, Rishik. You're a regular minion. Yes, yes. Please make sure that you be very regular. Guys, we are going to be there with you till advanced, and even we are planning to do counseling when your turn comes for, selecting colleges, be it NITs, be it private colleges, be it government colleges, be it IITs, ISERs, IST, whatever. Doesn't matter. We are going to be there with you. So don't worry. follow this channel. First of all, hit the subscribe button. We are going to do all this for free on this channel. So don't worry guys, we are there, and I'm Shreyas here, the physics master teacher, to take care of all the physics needs that you have. All right, so let's get moving to the next one coming up on your screen. All right, so the correct answer was option A, and moving on to the next one out here. Okay, so Arjun, if you're writing tomorrow's paper, I feel you should definitely focus on this session, because a lot of questions and concepts might get repeated, and just stay cool, stay calm and sleep well, and just revise whatever you know. Don't learn anything new. Okay, so a comet is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. The closest and farthest distance are R1 and R2. What is the speed at a distance of R2? Okay, so now this one is very simple. What you need to do, just imagine this is the sun, all right, and this is that comet. Okay, so the closest distance is R1 and the farthest distance is R2. Okay, and the speeds are respectively given to be V1, and this is nothing but V2. Now we all know how to solve this kind of questions. Guys, remember, angular momentum is conserved. Angular, all right, angular momentum, all right, angular momentum is constant. Keep this in mind. Angular momentum is constant. Now, that's it. Use angular momentum conservation. M R1 V1. All right, that's the angular momentum here when it's closest, and when it goes there, angular momentum is M R2 V2. Remember, when it is closest, the velocities are perpendicular to the line joining the sun and the comet. All right, so it's perpendicular, so there is no sine theta as such, and even if you put sine 90, obviously the value of sine 90 is 1. M goes, and you will get V2 as R1 V1 by R2. So R1 V1 by R2, that should be the answer. I hope you guys got it. Yes, law of conservation of momentum. Thank you GMS for all the love that you're showing. That's the answer, B. Very good, excelente. Andrew, you're finding the paper easy? Yes, good. If you're finding the paper easy, good, I'm happy, because you'll get more marks. And if you're finding it moderate, don't worry, we'll work harder for the April attempt and the May attempt. Don't worry about it. All right, so Rishik, please ping me on my Instagram handle, or just write a comment after the video ends. I'll help you out. Guys, I know a lot of you have a lot of questions like, sir, how to prepare for boards, how to prepare for this and all that. Guys, do not worry. We are going to take care of all the needs on this channel. Plus, there is also a crash course which is going to start this Monday. The details of which are there in the description box below. So do check it out. So if you want to prepare for boards as well as JEE for the April attempt and the May attempt, the crash course is starting this Monday. So do not miss that opportunity, so that you can revise the entire syllabus systematically. And I feel when somebody teaches you, when somebody tells you what to do, what not to do, makes a plan, you learn faster, you can save up on a lot of time out there. So that option is also there with all of you. Well, the next question, these are the gases given in a container whose temperature is T. The question was, find the total pressure. So first of all you need to do is find how many moles are there. Container's volume is V, temperature is T. Find the total pressure. So 16 grams of oxygen, how much is it? Sanju, don't worry, I'll drink water later on. I'm very excited now to conduct the session, because all of you are here. Okay, come on, think about it. 16 grams of oxygen, how much is it? It is 0.5 moles, guys. Isn't it 0.5 moles? 28 grams of nitrogen. Think about it. It will be nothing but 1 mole of nitrogen, right? And 44 grams of carbon dioxide is also 1 mole. Just check the molecular weight. Oxygen's molecular weight is 32. So that's why it is half a mole. Nitrogen is 28 and carbon dioxide is 44. So 1 mole, 1 mole and 0.5 moles. So how many total moles? 2.5 moles, correct? Now just use ideal gas law and that's it, you will get it. So PV is equal to N is 2.5 RT. So P will be 2.5 is 5 by 2. So 5 RT by 2, and that volume comes below, and that should be the answer. 5 RT by 2V. Excellent. Arjun, Bhavika, no problem, Shreya. It's okay, just join in. We are right now on the 7th question. You can always replay back after the session ends. Very good, Rahul, Maria, Yalini. Excellent. It looks like everybody got it. Very good, Jahid. Yes, Surendra, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I think it was easy peasy, lemon squeezy question. What do you guys say? Yes, Om Prakash. Yes, let's get going to the next one. Chemistry kind of question came in physics. And here is the next question. So when the lift is stationary, the time period of a pendulum, all right, is, let's say, t. If the lift accelerates upwards with g by 2, then what is the time period? Guys, this kind of question was done. It was done on this channel recently in the last 1-2 months. And if you have been attending these sessions, that's it for you guys. It will be like, I have done this. Shreyas Sir has taught this. I know how to solve this question. And this was actually easy. We have done these kind of questions, guys. So what is the time period of a simple pendulum? It is 2 pi under root L by G, correct? Now think about it. If there is a lift, all right, and the lift accelerates upwards with G by 2, if the lift goes up, what will happen? Any person standing inside, will he face more gravity or less gravity? Will he face more gravity or less gravity? Come on, minions, answer in the chat box. Will the gravity inside, the perceived gravity, will it be more or will it be less? Come on, think about it. The lift is going up. What will you feel? Will you feel more gravity or will you feel lighter? Will you feel heavier or lighter? More gravity or less gravity? Come on, minions. Very good. You guys are saying more. Correct. And that will be A plus G. That means it will be G plus or G by 2 plus G, which is 3G by 2. Correct? The gravity will increase 3 by 2 times. Very good. So if the gravity increases 3 by 2 times, matlab this has become 3 by 2 times. So what will happen to the time period? It will become root 2 by 3 times the previous one. If this has become 3 by 2 times, this is there in the denominator. So 2 by 3. That's what the time period will be. And that means the correct answer will be option A. Isn't that right? Isn't that right, minions? Got it? Very good. Excellent. So that's how you do it. Very easy question. Option A. And if you have been attending all the sessions very carefully, we have done these kind of questions. In fact, I think I had taken the similar value only when we solved it once in our classroom. All right. Yes, Soham. A. And very good, Rishik. See you on Insta as well. Very good, minions. Very good. And let me also tell you guys that, we are going to discuss all the shifts, all the papers, so stay tuned. And immediately we are going to also start with mains preparation, advanced preparation, JEE 2022 preparation, JEE 2023 preparation. All of this is going to start. So please spread the word around. As seniors, it's your moral duty to make sure that all your juniors get benefited, because most of you would have missed out. And we started this channel last year, and I'm pretty sure you have those regrets. Why wasn't this channel there before? But at least we are there for you now. So the same thing should not happen to your juniors. So make sure that all your schoolmates, all your juniors, maybe your building friends, maybe your relatives, your cousins, everybody knows about this channel. It's an English medium channel. Not many people are teaching out there in English, and we are doing this for all of you for free of cost. So all I'm asking you is your love, your support. Be the mascots of this channel. Spread this channel. Let it grow, and let the good work be there, and let the joy of learning be there. Yes, let's do this. Okay, next question. What factor does the stopping potential depend on? This was direct theory based question, guys. It only depends on the frequency of the incident photon. That's it. Frequency, amplitude, intensity, phase, speed is irrelevant. Yes, it was B. Correcto. Very good. Excellent. Directly theory based question. Stopping potential depends only on that. And remember that HF, all right, HF is equal to work function plus E times of stopping potential. This Vs is nothing but the stopping potential, and you can see that this frequency is the frequency of the photon. So frequency of the photon decides the stopping potential. There is no amplitude, phase or speed of light in this equation, like you can see. Excellent, guys. You guys have got it. Nailed it. Excellent. We will be discussing all the papers. Obviously, Jagdish, we are not going to say, see that Jagdish, I know a lot of people do that. On last day, what they do is, they don't discuss because they feel that, oh, there is no more students who are going to write the exam on 19th of March. But we are not that kind of a channel. Even though 5 people attend, even though all the papers are over, we will be still discussing on 18th of March, the second shift paper. See, we are not here, for just, evil purposes. We have very good intentions. Our intentions are that if there is a learner, if there is a dedicated student, we should deliver to him. So if your paper is on March 18th, second shift, we are going to be there for all of you. All right. Don't worry, Jagdish. Thank you, Rahul, for all the love. All right, Rishabh, you have butterflies in the stomach. Not sure why, but okay, maybe you should tell it why. All right. So in the Balmer series, first, second, third line, find the ratio of lambda 1 by lambda 3. Hi, Sangeeta. Good evening. Sorry, good afternoon. Oh my God, I'm so used to good evening. I hardly meet you guys in the afternoon. All right. So guys, just the formula that you should use is 1 by lambda is rz square, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Now, when I'm talking about Balmer, all right, so for Balmer series, so understand these are the lines which will be there from this is n is equal to 2. The first line will be from n is equal to 3. This is the second line, and the third line will be from n is equal to 5. So this is your first line and this is your third line. All right, this is your first line and this is your third line. All right. Hi, Jugutan. Good afternoon. Now, for these transitions, what are the ratio of the wavelengths? So think about it. Lambda 1 by lambda 3. So lambda 1 by lambda 3, flip this ratio. So for lambda 1, it will be 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square. Correct? Think about it. The transition from 3 to 2 is the first line. The transition from 3 to 2 is the first line. So if I flip this, this term will come below. And for lambda 3, it will be 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 5 square. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Hello, Dubeji. Welcome. All right. Now, that's it. You just solve this, guys. You're going to get it. This is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 25. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 25 divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. And you will have 25 minus 4. 25 minus 4 is 21 divided by 4 multiplied by 25. Then you have 9 minus 4, which is 5 divided by 4 multiplied by 9. So this is going to be 21 divided by 5. And that 4 into 25 is going to come over here. And this 4 into 9, all right, it's going to go there. 4 cancels. 21 into 9, 189. All right. And 5 into 25, 125. So that's the answer. That's the answer. All right. Okay. I don't know, guys. Maybe it could be a physics, it could be a chemistry question. So even if it was a chemistry question, fine. It's the same topic. It's there both in physics and chemistry, no problem. All right. So we just solved it. All right. No problem. I don't know. So this is all just based on memory. So we are just doing it. All right. Soham says this was a question which came. All right. So this is the answer, guys. 189 by 125. Direct formula. Radha, I think you are watching this video on a lower resolution. Please increase the resolution to at least 480 or 720p. Oh my God, Akshay Kumar, you are still seen. You are not invisible. You are not Mr. India. You are Akshay Kumar. If you are Anil Kapoor, then you can be Mr. India and you can be invisible. I'm not sure if you got that joke, but still, anyways. So the next question is, a 25-meter antenna is on a tower of height 75 meters. Find the most appropriate wavelength. Guys, I'll tell you what. Samarth, chill. We'll do the analysis after all the shifts are over. This question was discussed yesterday in Sure Shot 60. This kind of question. And yesterday only somebody asked me, sir, for a dipole, what is the minimum length? And for a normal antenna, what is the minimum length? Do you remember? How many of you remember we solved this question? Kia Harish says this. Jahid also says it. I think Kia Harish only asked. Somebody asked yesterday. So yes, that's all, guys. So this antenna's length is what matters. This is irrelevant. Just look at the antenna's length. That's it. And it's a normal antenna, not a dipole antenna. So for a dipole antenna, it's different. For a normal antenna, it's different. Remember, for a normal antenna, the length should be more than lambda by 4. That is the minimum criteria. So that means 4L is more than lambda. Now 4 times the length of the antenna, that's 25, is more than lambda. Therefore, lambda is less than 100 meters. So basically, at least this much length should be there. At least this much length should be there. So the maximum wavelength that can be transmitted is how much? The maximum wavelength which can be transmitted is how much? 100 meters, not more than that. Yes, EBD Villiers, thank you RCB fan for being here. Dipole antenna concepts are not there in JEE syllabus or in NCERT. It's just there as a just basic formula. For dipole antenna, the minimum length is lambda by 2. For normal antenna, it is lambda by 4. That's it. All right, from communication systems, Rahul. Yes. For dipole, it is lambda by 2. Be careful. For dipole, it is lambda by 2. Okay. Yes, same question I taught Maria. Correct. 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 Imagine, guys, yesterday I told you guys these questions will come and it came. I don't know how many people took it seriously. But anyways, if you have taken it seriously, you got it. Anyways, you got it very easily. All right. Okay. Let's get going to the next question coming up on your screen. A dielectric slab of certain thickness is introduced in a capacitor of certain capacitance C. So if the plate separation is D, what is the final capacitance? That's the question, guys. So let's try and solve this and see what the answer should be. I'm not looking at the options right now. All right. Yes, Akshay Kumar, I know I get a lot of loves, colorful loves, rainbow colors. Thanks to Ankit. All right. And there we go. Okay, let me try and solve this. So first of all, let me just draw the capacitor. All right. And this distance is given to be D. In that, understand a part of it is a dielectric slab. So, this much is the dielectric slab of constant K, of course. All right. And that thickness is 3D by 4. So isn't this like two series capacitors? Two capacitors in series? I feel it is exactly that. It's one capacitor where dielectric slab is there and another capacitor where nothing is there. This is D by 4, this is 3D by 4. So this is like D by 4 and this one over here is like 3D by 4. That's it. So now all you need to do is, what is the equivalent capacitance? 1 upon C equivalent will be 1 upon C with the dielectric plus 1 upon C of without the dielectric. So without the dielectric. All right, that's what you have to do. So let's do this. It's not that difficult. So capacitance of the dielectric one, it's epsilon naught into K into area divided by D. Distance is 3D by 4. I hope this is clear. Epsilon naught K is K. Area divided by, so it goes on the numerator, 3D by 4 is the width of that slab. All right, Akshay Kumar, my blessings are always with you. I'm feeling so weird to tell Akshay Kumar because it feels like I'm wishing or just giving my best wishes to a celebrity. Well, interesting. All right. So next up, for the capacitance without the dielectric, well, for without the dielectric, epsilon naught, all right, no dielectric over there, multiplied by area divided by the distance, that's D by 4. Because out of D, 3D by 4 went here. So just D by 4 is there. Yes, Prasanna, you can also use that formula. Now, think about it. Just solve this. So just take LCM. Just make the denominator as 4 epsilon naught Ka. Correct? Just make the denominator like this. So it will become 3D plus Kd. All right. So that is nothing but 1 by C equivalent. So therefore, C equivalent will be 4 epsilon naught. All right, A multiplied by K. All right, that goes in the numerator. This comes below and you will have D. All right, and you will have 3 plus K. Now think about it. This part which is there, this part epsilon naught A by D. What is this? This much part is just the capacitance. That is just the capacitance. Correct, guys? I hope this is clear. This is just the capacitance C. So shouldn't it be 4 Ck divided by 3 plus K? Which is I think this one, option B over here. Check this out. 4 Kc divided by K plus 3. Very good. Well, thank you, Rishik. Glad to know that I'm a celebrity for you. I just want your love and support. That's it. Thank you, Rutuja. Thank you, Jagdish, so much. I'm really, really humbled by all your words and your comments. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. Understood? Yes, you can use that formula which I used in the Menti quiz. Yes, Bhargavi, I used a formula in the Menti quiz, you can use that formula, but some of you might not remember that formula, so I just showed you this steps. So guys, even if you attended my Menti quiz, you would have got so many questions today. And guys, I mean, like crazy. What more should I say? Please keep attending my sessions, you will get more marks. What else to tell you? All right. Okay, yes, let's show all the love by hitting the like button out there. Here's the next question. Thank you, Noman Patel. Thank you, Tejita, so much. Thank you so much. Glad to know that, Harish. All right, question 13. An uniform circular pulley. All right, think of it like a disc, and radius is also given, and there is a force acting on it. It takes n turns to attain some angular velocity of 50 radians per second. Find the number of turns. Find the number of turns. All right, let's do this. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is use torque. Net torque is equal to moment of inertia into alpha. That's the standard formula. Net torque is I into alpha. Thank you, Amshi, for all the love. All right, so now think about it. Net torque is I alpha. What is the torque? Torque is because of that force. Where is that force? A force of 20 Newton. So if you apply 20 Newton force, all right, at a distance, what distance are you applying the force? 0.2 meter. Think about it. It will create a torque of 0.2 into force, which is 20. Now, this is a disc. So what's the moment of inertia? mr square by 2. M is 20. What is the radius? It is 0.2 square by 2, correct? mr square by 2 into alpha. Now let's do the simple calculations. Well, this 0.2 and this 0.2 will go. This 20 and this 20 will go. And this 0.2, which is remaining by this, will become 10. So I believe that alpha should be 10 radians per second square. Just check this out. Alpha is 10 radians per second square. Very good. Now just think about it. Just think about it. Since angular velocity is given and number of turns is mentioned, I feel I should use the third kinematic equation of circular motion, which I have also done in the formula revision session. If you have just seen the playlist, please watch the playlist, it's all there. Formula revision, kinematic equations of circular motion. Final angular velocity square is initial angular velocity square plus 2 alpha into theta. So theta is how much angle it has covered. Now final angular velocity, well, that's given to be 50. All right, initial, well, it was 0. 2 into alpha, I just figured it out, into theta. So how much is theta going to be? So it's going to be 50 square. 5 square is 25, so it will be 2500 divided by 20. So that's what you're going to get. All right, 250 divided by 2 is 125 radians. But they have not asked the answers in radians. They have asked how many turns will it do. Now remember this. 2 pi radians is 1 turn. 2 pi radians is 1 turn. So 125 radians will be how many turns? It will be 125 divided by 2 pi. Since each 2 pi radians is 1 turn, or each turn is 2 pi radians. So if you divide 125 divided by 2 pi, all right, you will get the number of turns. And that answer comes out very close to 19.9. Is that clear? Thank you, Shravan Kumar. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. All right, so this is how you have to solve this question. I hope this is clear. Okay, interesting. Yes, 19.9. I hope you minions have got the answer now. All right, that's the answer. Very good. Oh well, Jagdish, I don't know, because see, modern physics questions might be discussed in physics also, because you know it's the same chapter, same theory. So all these questions are based on the memory of the students. So maybe the student would have forgotten whether it was in physics or chemistry. So that's why we are discussing. Anyways, it doesn't matter. All right, last question before Shimon Sir is going to come now after this question. And maybe I'll try and come back if I get some more questions after this. So Rishik, you can just do this really quick. Rishik, just replay it back. Even in the live session, you can move the slider a little bit behind and watch the replay. Just do that very quickly and catch up at 2x speed, you will get it. Okay, Rishik? Just do that, bacha. Okay. Next, there is a conductor of certain length, area, and the resistances are direct formula based, I feel. There is a cell which is connected. What will be the current flowing if you double the length and area of cross section is halved? area of cross section is halved, then what will you do? Okay, now let's see this. See guys, resistance is rho L by A. Now let's see what has happened. Okay, I'll also put up one more formula. Voltage is current multiplied by resistance. Now think about it. The length, all right, is doubled. This is a technique I have taught you. Whenever something becomes double, triple, half, etc., just do ratio proportions. Just think how much or how many times will it increase, decrease. It becomes very simple. It becomes very simple. So guys, length has doubled, area has become half. So that 2 goes with this 2. 2 2s are 4. So resistance will become how many times? 4 times. Length becomes double, area becomes half. So that 2 goes with this 2. So it will become 4 times. I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. So guys, just think about it. If the resistance becomes 4 times for the same battery, voltage, well, that's same. It has not changed. The battery is the same. It's connected across a cell, right? So what will happen to the current? So the current will become 4 times less. So it becomes 4 times less. V by 4R should be the answer. V by 4R should be the answer. Isn't that clear? Understood, minions? Very good. Excelente. Excelente. Yes, B will be the answer. Very good, Maria. Very good, Jahid. Excelente, Sudeep. Surendra. Very good. So, Anu, what has happened is resistance is rho L by A. Length doubled. Area became half. So, this ratio L by A will become 4 times. That means the resistance has increased 4 times. That means current will decrease 4 times to keep the product constant. Ohm's law. So, if current becomes 4 times less, so if old current was V by R, new current will be V by 4R. That's it. Pranav, don't worry. I'll come back again. Again, I'll be coming back. Don't worry. All right. Yes, all are easy. Correct, Rishik. You hit the nail. After attending these classes, I agree that it looks simple, but in the examination hall, you just get scared looking at the size, the length, width, breadth, depth of the question, the environment, looking at others' faces. Just that whole environment is tense. Otherwise, these questions are easy. So guys, if you're going to write the exam maybe in the afternoon or maybe tomorrow or day after or whenever, please remember the questions will be easy. You know it. So just stay focused, stay calm and attempt it. All right. Do not get deviated. That's why writing mock tests is very important. So please attend the mock test which we are conducting on this channel. And also if you want a more rigorous systematic way, we are going to conduct mock tests in our in our crash courses as well, with discussions exactly like this. We are not like other institutes where students enroll in crash courses or even in the regular batch and they don't discuss all the questions. No, here we discuss all the questions. We do not care whether it was easy or difficult or moderate. We'll discuss all the questions, plus you will also get doubt solving, etc. So guys, check out the link which is there in the description box below. All right, and you will see the details of the crash course, and this crash course is going to start this crash course is going to start on Monday. Keep this in mind. So this starts on Monday, and also this is very important for all the April and May attempt students, and you will also get doubts, test series like I was saying, and you will get 30% off. All right, 30% off if you use the coupon code SHCC. So this is the coupon code for getting 30% off. So use that coupon code and make sure you get yourselves enrolled right away before the seats fill up. All right, thank you guys very much. Now Shimon Sir will be joining us, and yeah, Sharat, thank you for being such lovely students. Okay, don't worry, Shreya, because these are memory based questions. All right, and Wassim Sir will also be coming later on. Okay guys, bye bye. Yo, see you very soon. Take care.
Okay, so people, I hope everybody can hear me and see me well. Hello people, how many of you are excited? Are you all really looking forward to this discussion? Hi Ram, hello Shreya, AP Devilers, Sharat, Advik, Yash, Pranav. So lovely to see all of you here. And guys, without wasting much time, we will get started because I know you guys are all serious about your preparation. So about the paper, I felt math again was moderate. I would not say it was easy, and I would not say it was very difficult. Okay, so it was more on the moderate side, and a lot of questions which I thought you had come. I hope you guys realize that. I'm going to show you when I'm discussing it. So that is why it is important for you all to attend the short sessions, the mega mock test that we conduct. You should definitely be a part of these sessions, okay? And Jagadish, like Shreyas Sir had said, we discuss every single paper, man. You don't have to say that, okay? So Jagadish is saying, sir, my exam is last day, sir. Will you discuss it? Yes. For us, it doesn't matter. Because usually last day, many people do not come to watch these sessions. So many channels do not do it. But don't worry, we don't really care about it. We will do it, okay? That is my promise to all of you. Lovely students, let's get started. For all those who do not know me, guys, this is me. This is Shimon Sir. This is Wassim Sir. And this is Shreyas Sir. So Shreyas Sir was doing the physics paper. I know you enjoyed it. Then after me, Wassim Sir will come. So he is going to rock the chemistry paper. Chemistry was laddu, it seems. He was telling me. So he will come and make it very easy for you. Now, talking about my background, why am I here? Guys, you should know that as well. Teachers should be in a position to teach you. They should have gone through the process themselves. So this is my background. I did my B.Tech in IIT Madras. I wrote JEE Mains. I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. I got a percentile of 99.995 and an All India rank of 464. And this is KVPY. I cleared KVPY as well. So that is about me. This is my Instagram ID. If you want to follow me, you can always do that. You can message me if you have any doubts and I will get back to you. Okay. So with that, my dear students, let's get started. So something new is cooking up in Vedantu. We have something very, very special for kids. Even kids can vote because of Vedantu. So we have a suspense that will be broken to you only after 2 days. So keep guessing. Do let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, so people, let's begin. Did you all like the video? I saw that when Shreyas Sir was taking, there were 500 people live, man. But not many likes. Come on, guys, give us a like. That's the best you can do. We are all working day and night for you. And the only encouragement we get out of these videos is the like and the sweet comments you give us. Okay, so please make us have a very happy day by letting in your sweet comments and also smashing that like button. Okay, so how is the paper, Rishik? I felt it was moderate. I will not say it was easy. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe. Do share it with your friends. Let them know we are discussing maths and like the video. Guys, this is an English channel. So if you are from South India, let's say Telangana, Andhra, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and if you are an English speaking audience, let your friends know that we are starting the mathematics discussion. And guys, don't worry about the brightness. It will self-adjust. It will self-adjust. So shall we get started? Can you all light up the chat? Can you all light up the chat, my dear lovely ninjas? Okay. So people, please do it, everybody. So here we go. The very first question that I have for you. How many of you solved this question? How many of you solved this question? Did you guys get the answer? The answer is, any idea? The answer is 5, I guess. The answer is 5 if I'm not wrong. So did everybody get 5? If you got 5, then you will get plus 4. If you got 5, then you will get plus 4. Very good, Mani Nagaraj. You are fantastic. So let me solve it for you. First of all, 3 to the power x minus 4 to the power y can be written as 3 to the power x minus 2 to the power 2y. That is equal to 77. Now I can write it as 3 to the power x by 2 whole square minus 2 to the power y whole square is equal to 77. Now this is a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? It is a minus b into a plus b. Is that right, my dear children? So that is going to be 77. Now what is given to you? This is given to you. How much is that? That is equal to 7, isn't it? So if this is 7, 7 into 3 to the power x by 2 plus 2 to the power y is equal to 77. So 7 and 77 will cancel. So I have two equations, two unknowns. Solve it, Laddu question, get 4 marks and thank me later. Yes? Did you all enjoy this question, people? Did you all like the way I have solved it? So just subtract it and you will get what? 2 into 2 to the power y is equal to 4. So 2 to the power y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 1. So if y is equal to 1, I'll get 3 to the power x by 2 plus 2 is equal to 11. So 3 to the power x by 2 is equal to 9, which is equal to 3 square. So x by 2, my dear, is equal to 2. So x is equal to 4. So I got x equal to 4 and y equal to 1. So the answer is 5. Did you like it? Yes, everybody. So I hope you guys are all clear with it. This question is not there. Are you all sure about it? Fantastic. Okay, so this question was not there. It seems some people have got it, some people have not got it. So doesn't matter. We will move forward to the next one. But anyway, it was a nice question. Doesn't matter. It is a JEE type question. So it's happy. It is good. Okay, so shall we move forward to the next one? How many of you are ready for the next question? Can you all give me a yes? And guys, keep counting your score. Even if you did not write it today. Even if you did not write it today, please count your score. Count your score. Because at the end, I want to know how many of you are getting more than 60, more than 70, more than 80. So aim for a score of more than 70, 75. Okay, so here we go, students, to the next question. Please try to solve it. This question was pakka there. I know it for sure. This question was pakka there. I know it for sure. So everybody try it out. Come on, people. I want all of you to think about it and try it out. After you are done, I'm gonna talk about how to solve it in a very easy manner that you guys will all enjoy. Okay. So guys, please think about it, solve it, and then we will do it. Okay. Thank you, Rupesh. Everybody think about it and try it out. This question, was it there in your exam? Some of you are saying no, some of you are saying yes. So Pujita says 3 roots. Yes, Pujita, you are absolutely right. Madan says so that he did not get it in his exam. No worries. So people, we will try to solve it. I will explain it. Please listen carefully. Okay. Everybody, please pay attention and then we will move forward because it is a nice question. So when I expand f of x, what will I get? I will get x minus a1 into x minus a2 into x minus a3 and then I will get what? Plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 minus 3x. Are you all cool with this? So this is how it expands. Are you all cool with it? Everybody. Did you all understand the way I have expanded it? Because I have I equal to 1 to 3. So when I is 1, it will be a1. When I is 2, it will be a2. When I is 3, it will be a3. And pi means constant product, constant multiplication. So that is why I wrote the product. And sigma means constant summation. So it will be a1 plus a2 plus a3 minus 3x. Did you all get it now? Yes, yes. Yes, Shibi Santosh. That is nothing but constant multiplication. Now guys, do you all agree that this is a polynomial in x? So if it is a polynomial, do you agree it is a continuous function? Because guys, I am teaching you right from the basics. I want you to appreciate math the way it is supposed to be appreciated. You need to understand the concepts. So here f of x is a polynomial. So people, it is a continuous function. Do you understand that? Because every polynomial is a continuous function. Now, if it is a continuous function, I can apply intermediate value theorem. Guys, if it is a polynomial function, I can apply intermediate value theorem. It doesn't matter whether this came in the exam today or not, but it is a good question. So please listen. Okay, everybody please listen. Don't spam the chat. Whatever it is, I am not teaching you Sanskrit. I am not teaching you history, geography, right? I am teaching you math. So it's okay. Please listen. I am teaching you JEE mathematics only. Got it? So now let's draw a number line. So let's plot A1, A2 and A3. So they gave A1 is less than A2 and A2 is less than A3. So on a number line, it will be like this, A1, A2 and A3. Now people, we know at minus infinity, this function will tend to minus infinity. Are you all clear with it? And at plus infinity, it will tend to plus infinity. Now at A1, what is the sign? At A1, my dear students, the sign is what? At A1, this will be 0 because A1 minus A1 is 0. So what is f of A1? F of A1, my dear students, is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 minus 3A1, which will be negative. Are you all clear? So f of A1, is it negative or positive? It is positive, right? It is positive because 1A1 will cancel with this. So I'll have A2 minus A1 plus A3 minus A1, both of which are positive. So it will be a positive quantity. So at A1, my function will be positive. At A3, it will be negative. Are you guys clear? So the graph should be like this. So definitely you will have 3 real and distinct roots. Did you like it? This is your intermediate value theorem. So because A1 is positive and at minus infinity is negative, then pakka in between there will be one value where the function will take the value 0. That is why this is a root. Similarly, you will have a root between A1 and A3, and you will also have a root between A3 and infinity. So those are the 3 real roots which are distinct. I hope you liked it. Wasn't it a brilliant question? Wasn't it a brilliant question? I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is a fantastic question. Why not? It can come in your exam. Okay, how is A3 negative? I will show it. Don't worry. Don't worry, my dear. I will help you out. F of A3 is what? F of A3, if I put, this product will be 0 because A3 minus A3 is 0. Then this will be left out. So I'll have A1 plus A2 plus A3 minus 3A3. So I will have A1 minus A3 plus A2 minus A3. That is your f of A3. This is negative. This is also negative because A1 is the smallest, A3 is the largest. So smallest minus largest will be negative. Medium minus largest will also be negative. So negative, negative will be negative only. Therefore, f of A3 is negative. Did you like it? Did you like it? Fantastic question, right? I hope you all enjoyed it. Can you guys give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat if you all enjoyed this question? If you all enjoyed this question. Sujata, yes Sujata, I just plotted the values. Okay, so what I did was, I got my function Sujata, f of x was what? It is a cubic function in x. So it is x minus a1, x minus a2 into x minus a3 plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 minus 3x. So that is your function Sujata. Now what I did was, I plotted the graph and I marked the points a1, a2, a3. Then what I did was, at minus infinity, a cubic function will always tend to minus infinity if it is having leading coefficient positive. And at plus infinity, it will be plus infinity. Just put the value x as infinity. If x is infinity, it will tend to infinity. If x is minus infinity, it will tend to minus infinity. And I check the value at f of a1. F of a1, this will be 0. So it will be a1 plus a2 plus a3 minus 3a1. So that will be what, Sujata? That will be negative or positive. It will be positive. Okay, because a1 and 1a1 will get cancelled. So these two, if I subtract, the result will be positive. So at a1 it is positive. Similarly, a3 will be negative. So if I draw the graph, it has to come here, it has to go down, and it has to come up. So it will have 3 roots. That is the way I plotted it based on graph plotting. I hope you guys liked it. Okay, Videsh, yes, if you can judge the value of f of a2, you can tell it, but I don't care. I don't care because anyway, between a1 and a3, I have one root. That's all I need to know. Are you all clear? Intermediate value theorem, guys, you need to study it because that is a concept. I will not be able to teach the concept here, man. So shall we move forward, everybody? Yes. So let us go forward to the next question. So this is the next question. I hope you guys have got it. Did you guys get this question in the exam? Shall we discuss it, everybody? Yes? Shall we go forward and discuss it? How many of you got the answer? Can you guys tell me what is the answer? Anybody? Can you guys tell me what is the answer for this? If anybody has got it correct, let me know in the chat by giving me a thumbs up, giving me a yo, or typing in the answer. So Jahid says 2. Very good, Ram Samarth. Ram is absolutely right. So what you do here is, guys, you use your Newton-Leibniz formula. So if I use that, what will I get, Ram? I will get a minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 the whole square minus a plus 1 times of x power 4 plus x square plus 1. Now we want to see when it will be equal to 0. So let's equate it to 0. So I want to make sure that f dash of x equal to 0 has no real root. So let's try to make it equal to 0 and see what happens. So now I can write it as a minus 1 by a plus 1 is equal to x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 divided by x square plus x plus 1 whole square. Are you all cool with it, everybody? Are you all cool with it? Everybody. So guys, if you are clear with this, now what do you do after this? So can you guys tell me, are you all okay with it? Just I took this term to the right hand side and I got a minus 1 by a plus 1. Okay, very good Jahid, very good Janavi, Rishi, you guys are fantastic. Now next step what I do is, I will apply componendo and dividendo. So if I apply componendo and dividendo, what will I get? Any idea? So if I apply componendo dividendo, I will be left out with 2a in the numerator, and in the denominator I'll have minus 2. So that will be equal to, if I apply componendo dividendo on the top, I'll get x power 4 plus x square plus 1 plus the square of this, I will add it. So I'll have x power 4 plus x square plus 1 plus 2 times of, you will have x cube plus x square. Are you all cool with it? And denominator will be what? Denominator will be numerator minus your opening of the denominator. That you guys have to take care. Is that okay? Did you all like it? Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Guys, you have to use Newton-Leibniz. You do not have to integrate it directly. That will make it even lengthier than this. Okay? So now what will I do? I'll cancel the 2 and 2. So I'll get minus a is equal to what? Can you guys add it quickly and tell me what is the value? So I will get what? I'll get 2x power 4. I'll get 2x power 3. So x power 4 is cancelled. 2x power 3 is cancelled. Then I'll have how much? 4x power 2. So I'll have plus 4x power 2. Then I'll have what? Then I'll have plus 2x plus 2. So plus 2x plus 2. Divided by what do I have? Divided by, I will cancel this. So I'll be left out with minus 2 times x cube plus x square plus x. Are you all fine with it, my dear students? So this minus and this minus will get cancelled. So I can cancel the 2's as well. So if I cancel off the 2's also, I will be left out with what? A is equal to, if I remove the 2's, I will be left out with x power 4 plus x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1 divided by x into x square plus x plus 1. Now it is a matter of simplifying it. Now what I'm going to do is, I will split it and write it. So I will write it as a is equal to x square into x square plus x plus 1 plus what will I have? Plus x square plus x plus 1 divided by, I'll have x into x square plus x plus 1 divided by x into x square plus x plus 1. The beauty of what I did you all realize? So a will be equal to what? X plus 1 by x. So if a is equal to x plus 1 by x, the range of this is what? Minus infinity to minus 2, union 2 to infinity. But I don't want any real root. That means a belongs to minus 2 to 2. If a belongs to minus 2 to 2, a can be what? Minus 1, 0 and plus 1. So there are 3 integral values. That is the answer. Brilliant question, killer. Brilliant question. It was a very, very good question. I hope you liked it. So I will again redo it briefly, but guys, I hope you're all clear with it. Akshita, I have got 15 questions from students who have written the exam today. Okay, yes, Sharat, I will tell you what is Newton-Leibniz theorem. I have taken a detailed video on it. please check out the definite integration session which I have taken in this particular channel. Okay. Yes, Shreya, all the questions that I'm doing today are from today's morning shift. Okay. So Ashwath, x plus 1 by x, na? It is a very commonly asked function, Ashwath. So when you have x plus 1 by x, the range of this is between minus infinity to minus 2 and 2 to infinity. You can use AMGM inequality for x positive, and for x negative you can take a minus outside and again you can apply AMGM inequality. So that is how you get this range. Or if you don't want to do this, what you can do is, Ashwath, I will teach you another technique. You can just open the quadratic. You will get x square minus ax plus 1 is equal to 0. You want no real roots. That means discriminant is less than 0. What is discriminant? A square minus 4 is less than 0. So a square is less than 4. That means a belongs to minus 2 to 2. This is also fine. Whatever you like you can do. I was telling you by both the methods. Are you all clear with this? Everybody? Did you all understand the way I have solved it? So shall we proceed? Yes? Okay. So guys, with that we will move forward to the next question. Let's have a look at it. Did you guys get this question? Everybody, did you all get this question? Please confirm it and then I will solve it. So people, if you have got this question, let me know. So Vinny Sriram is saying, yes sir, I got a question like this. What about others? Many people are saying no, no, no. Deepa says yes. So a few people have got it. So I will explain it. Navaneet is also saying yes. Jahnavi is also saying yes. Very good. Suryajit, you are right. So people, what you do here is you directly differentiate. This is again nothing but your Newton-Leibniz formula again. Okay. So if I differentiate it, what will I get? If I differentiate x, I'll get 1. If I differentiate this, I'll get what? 1 by root of 1 plus y square into dy by dx. So that is my formula by applying Newton-Leibniz. For those who do not know what is Newton-Leibniz, let me explain it. But guys, please pay attention. I want all of you to be attentive. We are all doing this for you, for your benefit. Okay, I want everybody to be very, very attentive. And if you guys have any doubt, let me know. Okay, some people have got this question. That is why I'm discussing it. Don't be very hasty. You guys have done with the exam, so please be patient. Okay, listen carefully. I am trying to respond to most of your doubts. Common doubts, I'm trying to answer it. It's okay. If you did not get this question today, it's okay. Somebody else got it. Okay, so please wait for me. It is possible for you to miss out a certain question. Okay, don't be hasty guys. There are 500 people, 400 people. I cannot respond to all 500 people. I have only one mouth. Okay, so please understand that. Okay, otherwise you can leave. It's okay. It's totally fine. If you do not like it, better leave. As simple as that. I want only serious students to be here. Okay, if you want to just chill around, come and say it is not coming. If you want to just spam the chat, better leave. It's okay. Why do you want to waste your time? If you are so smart, and if you are so worried about wasting your time, then why are you commenting, man? Better leave, no? Okay. So guys, you have integral f of t dt from u of x to v of x. Got it? Everybody cool with it? Yes. So whenever you have an integral with varying limits, that is when you will use Newton-Leibniz formula. Okay, you will use Newton-Leibniz formula when you have an integral with varying limits and you want to differentiate it. Okay, so when you differentiate an integral with varying limits, how do you execute it? That is what I'm going to teach you. So please listen carefully. So that is going to be f of upper limit. Whatever function is there, you put the upper limit inside. You put the upper limit inside and you multiply with the derivative of upper limit minus f of lower limit. So it will be f of u of x into the derivative of lower limit, which will be u dash of x. Are you all cool with it? Everybody got it? So Sharath, this is your Newton-Leibniz formula. Okay, so that is exactly what I did, Sharath, here. So I put f of, what is this function? This function is 1 by root of 1 plus t square. So I will put y inside it. So I'll get 1 by root of 1 plus y square, and then I will differentiate y because I have to differentiate also, right? So it is going to be dy by dx. Then I'll put 0 Sharath. So if I put 0, I'll get 1 by root of 1 plus 0 square into derivative of 0, which is 0. That's why I didn't write this term. That's why I wrote only one term. Now this derivative is 1. Now I simplified it. Now I'll cross multiply and then again differentiate because I want to find the second derivative. So if you want to find the second derivative, what do you do? So now if I differentiate it again, it will be 1 by 2 root 1 plus y square into 2y dy by dx is equal to d2y by dx square. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Fantastic people. Exactly. So now I have 1 by root of 1 plus y square dy by dx. So what is dy by dx? 1 by root of y square, that is 1. So y into 1 is equal to d2y by dx square. So that is my answer. So the answer, my dear students, is nothing but y. I hope you all got it. So let's move forward. Everybody got it? So shall we move forward? Did you guys enjoy it? Are you clear with it? Guys, it doesn't matter whether it came or not, it is still a good question. It is still something which you need to understand. Are you all cool with it? Okay, so let's move forward and go to the next one. So the answer is y. So this is a pakka question because I got this question from almost 5 to 6 students. So I think this question most probably came in your exam. So it is from probability. Okay, so let me explain it. I want all of you to pay attention, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay, so you have a pack of 52 cards. A card is missing. Okay, so first of all, I have a pack of 52 cards. One card is missing. Okay, now after that, I draw 2 cards and I find that both of them are spades. What do? I draw 2 cards and I find that both of them are spades. Now what is the probability that the missing card is not of spades? So how do you do this? This is conditional probability or your Bayes theorem. Your conditional probability or Bayes theorem. So please listen carefully. We have probability missing card is not spade. Missing card not spade, and given that 2 cards are drawn which are spades. Are you all clear? So this is the probability I want to find. I want to find the probability that missing card is not a spade given that 2 cards are drawn which are spades. Are you all clear with that? Yes. Naveen, I will discuss it. You are right. Nivas, Ananya, Pujita and Vinny Sriram, you guys are absolutely right. The answer is 39 by 50. Perfect. You guys are smart. You guys will get +4 marks if you wrote the exam today. Okay, now let me explain how to solve this. First of all, the numerator will be what? The numerator will be the intersection of both of them. Let's call this A, let's call this B. So it is going to be A intersection B divided by probability of B. Are you all fine with that, everybody? Are you all fine with that? So now, what is the probability of A intersection B? When I say A intersection B, I want both of these to happen. That means the missing card should not be a spade. That means the missing card is something other than a spade. So how many cards you have which are not spades? Can you tell me? How many cards you have which are not spades? Can you guys tell me? There are 39 cards which are not spades. Okay, so out of 39 cards, I choose one. Overall, 52 cards are there. Now this is a missing card which is not a spade, and after that, I take 2 cards which are spades. So 13 spades are there. From 13, I choose 2. And how many are there? 51 are there. Why? Because I missed 1 card already. So this is my numerator. This is my numerator. What is my denominator? My denominator will be what? My denominator will be when the missing card is not a spade. When the missing card is not a spade and you draw 2 spades. Or the missing card can be a spade and still you draw 2 spades. So if the missing card is spade, this 13 will become 12 now because I am choosing a spade to be the lost card. So 12C2 divided by 51C2, that will be your denominator. That's it. You're done. That's it, you're done. So the answer, if you substitute it, you will get it to be 39 by 50. It's a wonderful question. It is a good question, guys. I hope you liked it. So if you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, are you all cool with it, guys? So shall we move forward, everybody? Are you all cool with this? Yes? So Rishabh, please pull the video back and do watch it again. I'm sure you will be able to follow. This is from probability, your Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem and conditional probability is what I've used here. Okay, so if you guys are cool with it, then let's move forward. We have a lot to cover. The answer, my dear students, is 39 by 50. Let's go to the next one. So this is another question which came in your exam, and Suryajit, the shift was moderate. I would not say it was difficult. I would not say it was easy. It was just like your February attempt. It was of the same difficulty level. Okay, so the paper was moderate. Now, how many of you solved this question? This was again a very interesting question. Did you remember getting this question? Did you guys remember getting this question? Very good, Jahnavi. That is fantastic. You guys are absolutely right. Is it a lengthy question? Are you sure it is a lengthy question? I don't think so. It is not a very lengthy question, guys. You can solve it in a very easy manner. Please listen carefully. Okay, the answer is 766. Okay, the answer is 766. So first of all, what is the diagonal elements? Sum of diagonal elements is nothing but trace. So trace of the matrix A transpose is 9. So this is very important. This is something which I want you to realize. So if you say your matrix A is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H high, then your A transpose will be A, D, G, because your columns will now become rows. Your columns will now become rows. Your columns will now become rows. So this is A transpose. So when you multiply A into A transpose, your diagonal elements will be the squares of all the elements, isn't it? Your diagonal elements, the first diagonal element will be the squares of the first row. The second diagonal element will be the squares of the second row added together. The third diagonal element will be the squares of the third row added together. Are you all clear? So what is sum of the diagonal elements? Sum of the diagonal elements is nothing but sum of all the elements. Do you all agree with me on that? Sum of the squares of all the elements which are present. Are you all clear with that? Did you all enjoy it? Did you all like it? Everybody. Very good, Hari Sudan. I'm so happy this is of use to you. Rehan, the answer is 766. Soham is absolutely right. Are you all cool with it? Yes? Yes, Lata, I will tell you. Now, let me solve the question, guys. Now, how can I get the sum of the squares to be equal to 9 if the elements are all chosen from 0, 1, 2, 3? That means A is chosen from 0, 1, 2, 3, B is chosen from 0, 1, 2, 3, C is chosen from 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, how can I get this sum to be equal to 9? I can get it to be equal to 9 if case 1, all of them are 1. All of them are 1. If all of them are 1, 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, 1 square, it will be 9. Are you all clear with that? So that is only one way. So that will happen in only one way, because all the 9 elements are all 1. The second possibility is I will have one element taking the value 2 and 5 elements taking the value 1. And the rest are 0. So this is also a possibility, because one element is 2 means what? 2 square is 4. And the remaining 5 elements are 1. So 5 elements into 1 square will be 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9. And the remaining ones are 0. So how many possibilities for this? I choose one element from 9 and I put the value 2. And I choose 5 elements from the remaining 8. And I put the value 1. The rest will be 0. I don't care about it. So this will be what? 9 into 56. So that will be how much? 504. Now the next possibility is, the third possibility is 2 elements have 2 values. 2 elements will take 2, and then I'll have one element taking the value 1, and the remaining rest will be 0, because 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square is also 9. So this will be how many possibilities? From 9 I will choose 2 and I'll put the value 2, and from the remaining 7 I'll choose 1 and I'll put the value 1, and the rest will be 0 one way. So this will be what? 36 into 7, which will be how much? 252. And finally, there is one more possibility. 1 element will be 3 and the rest will be 0, because 3 square, my students, is equal to 9. So one of the element will be 3, everything else will be 0. So this will be what? This will be 9C1 into 1. So the answer is 9 ways. So if you add all of it up, what do you get? If you add this 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 504 plus 256, 252. So that will be 766. You can verify that, okay? You can verify that. It's a very easy question. Did you like it? Are you all clear with that? Hello, Deepesh. Student 12th standard, if you go through it, it is better for you. Did you guys enjoy these questions? Can you all give me a thumbs up or a yo in the chat? How many of you are able to understand it? This was a very nice question, guys. It was a good question. And you know what? This came in JEE Mains February attempt also. This came in JEE Mains February attempt. So if you are not doing this, that means you didn't analyze February attempt properly. So please analyze February attempt. Now this is a lesson. For your April attempt, try to do February and March attempt papers religiously. Because that will help you to do well. Okay. So Deepesh, please pull the video back and have a look at it. I'm sure you will understand it. You guys are definitely capable of going for it. Okay. So let's move forward, guys. So this is 766. It was a good question. So this is the next one. Can you all please try it out, everybody? What is the answer? So Harikirt, 9C1 means one element is already chosen, right? So remaining only 8 elements are there. How can you say remaining also is 9? So please think about it. Okay. Very good, Janavi. Very good, Ananya. Fantastic. Atrijo Datta, that's fantastic, man. Nivas, Bhargav, you guys are all awesome. Okay. Lavanya, don't worry. It is no use getting panicked at the last moment. So I would say just relax. Go through your NCERT, revise chemistry, revise your formulas, and tomorrow you will nail it. Okay. So people, let's try to solve this question. Please listen carefully. Okay. So we have A. So A square will be what? Can you guys help me with it? So A square will be I minus I minus I and I into, you will have I minus I minus I and I. So what will this be equal to? A square will be equal to what? It will be I square, which is minus 1. Again, it will be minus of I square. Is that correct? So minus of I square will be what? Minus I into minus I will be what? Plus I square, which will again be minus 1. Then you'll have minus I square, which is plus 1. Again, you'll have minus I square, which is plus 1. Then you'll have minus I square, so plus 1, and then you'll have I square plus I square, which is minus 1. Got it? So this is going to be equal to minus 2, 2, 2 and minus 2. Are you all cool with this, everybody? This is the first step. Did you all enjoy it? Did you all enjoy it till here? It is a very simple method. Very good, Archit. That's absolutely right. Very good, Alan, Om Prakash, Bhargav. Fantastic. So till here, if you got it, guys, this is just a starting point. We are not yet done with it. Okay. Now, A square I have got. So let me write what is A square. A square is this, right? Now I want to find A power 4. So what is A power 4? A power 4 is A square into A square, which will be minus 2, 2, 2, minus 2 into minus 2, 2, 2, minus 2. So what will this be? Can you guys help me with it? So this will be what? 4 plus 4, 8. Minus 4, minus 4, minus 8. 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 8. 4 plus 4, 8. So this is your A power 4. Are you guys cool with it? Everybody clear till here? So I have got A power 4 now. let me calculate a power 8. I hope you know why I'm doing this, because a power 8 is needed. A power 8 will be what? A power 8 will be 8 minus 8 minus 8, 8. And then you'll have again 8 minus 8 minus 8, 8. So what will that be equal to? So let me remove this. A power 8 is equal to what? It is equal to 64 plus 64, 128 minus 128. Is that correct? So 8 into 8, 64. This is, and then minus 128. Correct. So this is minus 128, 128. So that is a power 8. So now put that over here. A power 8 into x comma y, right? I think I think this should have been y. Is this y, guys? Is this y? I think it should be y, right? I think it should be y. Isn't it? I think it should be y. Can you guys let me know? Can you guys let me know in the chat? Yeah, it should be y. Okay, it's a printing mistake. It should be y. So now, if I open this, I will get 128x minus 128y is equal to 8. And I will get minus 128x plus 128y is equal to 64. Now, do you agree these two are parallel lines? These two are parallel lines because I can take a minus outside from the first one. So they are parallel, but the constants are not the same. Therefore, they will be two parallel and separate lines. Hence, no solution. Did you like it? This is the way you solve. You need to understand each and every step. You need to be very, very conceptually sound. So this was a question which was asked. Very easy, but a bit lengthy. So maths paper was a bit lengthy in my opinion. Okay? Got it? So the answer is no solutions. Are you all clear? Did you all enjoy it? Guys, show me some excitement in the chat. What is happening? Are you guys sleeping? Everybody, shall we let me know? Shall we move forward? Shall you all move to the next question? Okay, great. Shruti Manoharan, you are absolutely right. Very good, Nivas. Fantastic. You guys are awesome. Now moving on to the next question. What do we have here? This is the next question from differential equation. Please try to solve it. DJ Rocks, yes, please tell me what is your doubt. And guys, if you are ready, please solve this question. I want all of you to go for it. Come on, people. Yes, so Sindhu says A. Very good, Sindhu. Santosh, Ananya, Jahnavi, you guys are absolutely awesome. So this was again a lengthy question, guys. So it is not very straightforward. Okay, because you need to first find out what is the function. You need to get the constant and then you need to find the maximum value. So it is a lengthy question. So you need to invest some time and only then you will get the answer. Shall we do it? Everybody? Yes, Soham. So let's try to crack it. Everybody please listen to me. So we have dy by dx plus 2y tan x. It is a direct linear differential equation. So what is the integrating factor? The integrating factor is e to the power integral 2 tan x dx. Okay, so that will be what? E to the power 2 ln of secant x. So that is equal to what? E to the power ln of secant square x. So this 2 I can take it to the top, right? So ln of secant square x, e to the power ln of secant square x is nothing but secant square x because of log properties. Did you all understand it? So the integrating factor, my dear, is nothing but secant square x. Are you all cool with it? Are you all clear? Guys, can you please let me know? If you guys are all convinced that the integrating factor is secant square x, then we can proceed forward. Because what I need to do is, I need to multiply by secant square x. So my left hand side will become what? It will become d of y into secant square x. And my right hand side will become what? Sin x into secant square x, which is 1 by cos square x dx. Now I can integrate it. So my left hand side, my dear students, will be y into secant square x. And my right hand side, I will take cos x as t. So if I take cos x as t, I will get minus sin x dx is equal to dt. So I will get sin x dx as minus dt divided by t square. Isn't that right? Because it will be 1 by t square. This will be dt with a minus sign. That's exactly what I wrote. So what will this be? This will be minus of t to the power minus 2 integral is t to the power minus 1 by minus 1. So it will become plus c. So the answer is y secant square x is equal to 1 by cos x plus C. Are you all okay with it? Did you all get it? Are you all convinced? Now you can solve it now. Y of pi by 3. So when x is pi by 3, y is 0. So y is 0. So 0 is equal to 1 by cos pi by 3, which will be 1 by 2 plus C. So C is equal to what? C is equal to minus 2. So the answer is y secant square x is equal to 1 by cos x minus 2. That is the function. Did you all get this? If you got it, you are right. If you got it, you are right. Did you like it? Till here, did you all understand it? I did integration on the left side also, Kumar. Kumar, this is the methodology you follow for a linear differential equation. For a linear differential equation, this is the methodology you follow. It's a very basic method. You're supposed to know it, okay? Are you all fine with it? Now after this, it's a piece of cake, guys. So you have y secant square x, right? So secant square x is 1 by cos square x is equal to, what did I get? I got 1 by cos x minus 2. So y is nothing but cos x minus 2 cos square x. Now you can simplify it, find the minimum value of this. So the minimum value of this will come out to be 1 by 8. You guys can check it out. I'm sorry, the maximum value of it. So you can do it by completing squares. So you can take it as y is equal to, you can take minus 2 common. If I take minus 2 common, I'll get cos square x, and then you'll have minus of cos x by 2. So 2 into cos x by 4. So I will add 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 4 square. So that will be y is equal to 1 by 8 minus 2 times of cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square. So the least value, the maximum value will be when this is 0. So can this be 0? Yes, because cos x can take the value 1 by 4. So if this is 0, the maximum value will be 1 by 8 minus 0. So maximum value will be 1 by 8. So that is how you do it, my dear students. So the answer is option A. If you mark A, you get plus 4. Otherwise, minus 1. Did you enjoy it? Everybody? Did you guys clear? Are you all cool with it? Shams Taufik, very good Taufik. Shriram Bani, yes Shriram, what is the doubt? Shriram, if you want to go through it once again, please pull the video back. Sharath, very good. Everybody clear with it? Can you guys give me a yes or a yo in the chat if you understood it? Shall I move forward to the next question, everybody? Yes? Fantastic, guys. So if anybody wants to watch it again, please pull the video back and try to go through it again. Arundhati is saying, sir, please explain the last 2 steps. So Arundhati, the last 2 steps is what I call as completion of square. Okay, so it is a method of completion of square. So what I did was, I first took minus 2 common, Arundhati. So if I take minus 2 common, what will I get? I'll get y is equal to minus 2 times. I will get cos square x and minus cos x by 2. Is that correct, Arundhati? So this is what I have, right? I just took a minus 2 common because I want to complete the square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Like that I want to bring. Okay. So what I did is, this has to be 2ab term, no? So 2a is cos x, no? So 2a I got. Now b should be in such a way that I get exactly back this. So b should be what? B should be 1 by 4. Because only if I put 1 by 4, I will get back the original thing. So that is a square minus 2ab. Now I need to add b square, right? So I introduce it. B square is 1 by 4 square. Since I am introducing it, I need to remove it also. So now these 3 will combine to give me cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square. And minus 2 into minus 1 by 16 will be plus 1 by 8. That will be separate. So that's exactly what I did. I hope you understood it. Okay, did you all get it? So shall I move forward? Yes. Art grid 120 will clear the cutoff, yes. But it will not help you get good colleges. 120 is not enough. So guys, this is the next question. Please try to solve it. Everybody. I hope you're all following. This is the next question. We have 81 cos square x plus 81 sine square x is equal to 30. I want you to find the number of solutions in x where x belongs to 0 to pi. Please try to solve it. Yokesh, IF is integrating factor. IF is integrating factor. Jahnavi, you are fabulous. You are amazing. That is absolutely right, Jahnavi. That is absolutely right. Killer, killer. Very good. Okay, people. Did you all get it? Shall we move forward? Sangeeta says option D. Yes. So people, I will help you solve this. Listen very carefully. Okay. This is again a very interesting question. So I will write cos square x as 1 minus sine square x. Can I do that? So can I write it as 81 to the power sine square x is equal to 30? So can I say 81 to the power sine square x is equal to t? So this will be what? 81 by t minus, okay, plus t is equal to 30. Are you all cool with that? Are you all cool with that? Did you understand it till here? Yes, everybody? This is very simple, right? Now it becomes a very easy quadratic expression. So I have t square minus 30t plus 81 is equal to 0. So I will get t is equal to 3 or 27. Till here everybody understood it? Till here did you guys understand it? Everybody? Yes? Fantastic, people. So now 81 to the power sine square x is equal to 3. So can I say this is nothing but 3 to the power 4 sine square x is equal to 3. So can I say sine square x is equal to 1 by 4? So that is one solution. The next solution is 81 to the power sine square x. Because t is 81 to the power sine square x, that is equal to 27. So I will get 3 to the power 4 sine square x is equal to 3 to the power 3. So I will get 4 sine square x is equal to 3. So I will get sine square x is equal to 3 by 4. So this will have two solutions. This will have two solutions. So the answer is 4. The answer is 4. Okay. I hope you guys got it. Because between 0 to pi, sine x is positive. So if sine square x is 1 by 4, then sine x can be what? Sine x will be plus or minus 1 by 2. So between 0 to pi, anyway it's positive. So sine x can be 1 by 2 only. So sine x can be 1 by 2 means it will be pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. These are the two solutions. Similarly there, sine x can be what? Sine x can be plus or minus root 3 by 2. But it cannot be negative. So sine x is equal to root 3 by 2. If it is root 3 by 2, then x can be what? Pi by 3 or 2 pi by 3. These are the two solutions. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 solutions is the answer. Did you like it? Yes. So shall we move forward, my dear students? Everybody? Very good. Abhay is right. So people, let's go ahead to the next question. Are you all ready? Very good, Sharath. Yes, the questions were very interesting and they were very lengthy also, I feel. It was a bit lengthy. I felt the questions were lengthy as compared to February attempt. It was moderate. I wouldn't say it is very difficult, but it was a bit lengthy. Okay. Hello. Yes. Fantastic, people. Everybody please try to answer. Dharma Teja says 25. Prashant says 3. Exactly, Naveen. You are right. Hello, Kushi. Welcome. Bhavya says 4. Yes, Bhavya Reddy. You are absolutely right. Hello, Varalakshmi. Welcome. Sriram, the answer is 4, Sriram. Okay. Gokul, don't worry. All the very best. I'm sure you will do well. If you attended the short session, if you attended our classes regularly, you will nail it. Don't worry. Raushan, Abhay, you guys are fabulous. Great. So the answer, my dear students, is nothing but 4. So how will I do it? I am going to use series expansion. Do you guys remember the method of series expansion? Because that is the easiest way to solve this question. Do you guys remember the method of series expansion? How many of you remember that? Can you all give me a yes or a yo in the chat? Hello, Harshavardhini, welcome. Let me know the chat, people. Come on, what are you all doing? Jatin Agrawal, welcome man, that's absolutely right. Very good Shrikar, very good Janvi. Janvi, the answer is 4. Okay, so please listen carefully, I will explain it. The answer is 4, guys. So what is e to the power x? First I will write the expansion so that you guys won't disturb me when I'm solving. So I will write it down here. You guys can make a note of it and go through it later on. Okay, this is the expansion of e power x. This is the expansion of e power minus x. Guys, please make a note of it. It might be useful for your May or April attempt. Just make a note of it. Okay, and cos x series expansion is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial and so on. And what is the sin x series expansion? Sin x is nothing but x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial and so on. Okay, so that is how you write the expansions. Now that you are clear with this, let's move forward. Okay, now that you guys are all clear with it, please note it down. I'm going to use it to solve the answer. Okay, Ram Lohit, that is absolutely right. You can use L'Hospital also, but I feel series expansion is a better method in this question. Okay, yes, Adrito Pal, I will check it out. Fantastic, people. So I hope you all have noted it down. Can you guys give me a yo in the chat if you guys have noted it down? Yes. So Priya, I would say NCERT for chemistry, for mathematics, whatever notes you have, try to revise that. Okay. Yes, Rahul, please tell me. Okay. So now I'm gonna solve it. Listen carefully. So it will be a into 1 plus x square by 2 factorial and plus x cube by 3 factorial. I'll just stop there, not more than that. Minus b into 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial. Then plus c 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial. Divided by, what do I have? Divided by x into sin x. So it will be x into x minus x cube by 3 factorial. Now guys, I will divide by x square to the numerator and denominator. So what will I have? I'll have a minus b plus c by x square plus I will have a minus c times of x plus I will have a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 into x square. I'm going to divide it by x square. I'm going to divide it by x square. Now the denominator, if I divide by x square, I will get 1. If I divide the denominator by x square, I will get 1 because x is tending to 0. Now guys, this should be 0, this should be 0, and this is your limit. So this is your final answer. What is your final answer? A plus b plus c by 2. So a plus b plus c by 2 is my final answer, which is equal to what? So the answer is, and you are saying this is not easy. Look at how laddu it is, man. It is a very, very simple way of solving. Did you guys like it? Yes, people, did you all enjoy it? This was very, 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 very simple, right? I hope you are all clear with it. Yes? Everybody? Can we use any other method? Gwen, Stacy, you can use your L'Hospital method as well. Okay, L'Hospital method is very simple. You guys can try it. And many people are saying, sir, why did you stop at x cube? Because even if you go beyond this, when you divide by x square, it will be 0. Okay, when you divide by x square, it will still be 0, whatever extra terms that you have. Are you able to understand it? Yeah? So guys, even if you write many terms, see, here I wrote x cube, but that itself I didn't use. Because anyway, when you divide by x square, your denominator is a finite number and your numerator, whatever is there, that will lead you to the answer. So all the terms beyond x square will not be counted. That is the way you do it. Are you clear? So many people are saying, sir, you can use L'Hopital. L'Hopital also can be done, because if I put 0 directly, I will get 0 by 0 form, right? Is that correct? Am I getting 0 by 0 form? Because your denominator will be 0, your numerator also has to be 0. Okay, but guys, that is something which you are assuming, because when I put x as 0, I will get a minus b plus c. So now you will assume that this is 0. Okay, and then again you solve. When I again differentiate, I will get one more expression. Like that you need to keep going forward. Are you all able to understand? Okay, so guys, these are the only two ways. You can either do it by L'Hopital or you can do it by series expansion. I somehow feel series expansion is a better method, but it's okay. If you feel like L'Hopital is easier, go for it. We will do that. Minus of this will be plus b sin x. Then this will be minus c e to the power minus x. Divided by the differential of this will be what? X into cos x and plus sin x is what you will have. And again you will put limit x tending to 0. So if I put x tending to 0, I will get 0 in the denominator. So numerator also have to get 0. So if I get 0 in the numerator, what can I say? I can say that a, this will be 0, a minus c is 0. Okay, now again you differentiate. That means what? A is equal to c. A is equal to c, and we know a plus b is a plus c is equal to b. So that means 2a is equal to b. So all these simplifications you can do. Now again differentiate, you will get the answer. As simple as that. Okay, is that clear? I got two relations here. Just differentiate it one more time, you will get the answer. Just go for differentiating it one more time. You will end up with the answer. Does that make sense? Did you guys enjoy this question? Everybody? Yes? Fantastic. So people try to complete it. I have taught you two methods for it. So Sharath, I hope you got it. If anybody has a doubt, please let me know. Okay? Very good, people. So guys, how are you all following? Are you all excited? Are you all scared? What is the mood of the chat? Let me know in the chat. Are you guys enjoying these sessions? Let me know by a thumbs up or a yo, and then we will move forward. Very good, very good. Bhargav is scared. Sivaranjani is saying Rombo scared. Okay. Well, I was excited, Shakti is saying. That's a good answer. Shakti is saying he was excited before he came to the class. Okay. Pankaj, just differentiate it again, man. Because again it is 0 by 0 form, right? So we'll have a e to the power x. This will be what? Plus b cos x. And then you'll have what? Plus c e to the power minus x. Divided by, if I differentiate this, what will I get? I'll get minus x sin x. And then plus you'll have cos x minus cos x. Okay? And you know, this can be solved. These two will get cancelled out. Are you fine with that? Because this is cos x, this is minus, okay, this is plus cos x, man, I'm sorry. Yeah. It will not get cancelled out, it will be 2 cos x. And we have limit x tending to 0. So now directly substitute the limit. If I substitute the limit, what will I get? I will get a plus b plus c divided by 2, and that is equal to 2. Okay? So a plus b plus c equal to 4. As simple as that. I told you now, Pankaj, it is just one step after this. So do you guys realize it's exactly same as, it is exactly same as what I did. I did by series expansion, right? There also I got the same expression. This, and this. So both are actually the same method. Okay? So shall we move forward, people? So let's go to the next question. The answer is 4 for this question. Now let's go ahead. This is a very interesting question. Please try it out. Everybody, please try it out. I want all of you to try it. Please do it, guys. Okay, 169 is a great score, Bhargav. You will get around 94 percentile. Darshan Reddy, yes, welcome. Dubeji Patsala, try man, don't worry, don't get upset. Try to improve by next attempt, okay? Sir, I got 97 percentile. How much do I need to improve? Aritra, I would say go for 99 because NIT Computer Science, if you want, you need to have 99 percentile and above. Okay, the answer is half. Janavi, you are right. Hello Divya, welcome. Suresh Suri, welcome. So guys, everybody, let me know. Did you all solve this exam? Did you all solve this question? It's a very, very interesting one. So I'll teach you how to do it. First of all, let's plot root 3i plus j. Root 3i plus j, my dear students, it will be root 3 distant from the imaginary axis and 1 unit from the real axis. So this will be the point. Do you all agree? And it will make an angle of, let's say, 30 degree. Are you all okay with that? Because this distance is 1, this distance is root 3. So this angle is tan 30. Everybody clear with this? Now you are rotating this. You are rotating this at an angle of 45 degree anti-clockwise. So I will go like this. I need to find this, which is alpha comma beta. So that angle, this angle is 45. Now the distance, let's say O, let's say P, this is P dash. So I know OP is equal to OP dash. OP is nothing but 2 because it is root of 1 square plus root 3 square. OP is equal to root of 1 square plus root 3 square, which is equal to root of 4, which is equal to 2. So OP dash also will be 2 because they are just rotating. So the length of the rod will be the same. The length of the line will be the same. That is not changing. Are you all clear with it? Now, what is alpha? Alpha is equal to 2 cos of 45 plus 30. So alpha is equal to 2 cos 75. And what is beta? Beta is equal to 2 sine of 45 plus 30. So beta will be equal to 2 sine 75. Did you guys understand that, everybody? Are you all able to follow? Till here, did you guys get it? Till here, did you guys get it? Everybody, please let me know. If you're all clear with this, please let me know. Fantastic, right? It's a very, very good concept. I hope you all are following. Please let me know in the chat, guys. Yes? Very good, Arundhati. Now, I got what is alpha. I got what is beta. Now we have to find the area of triangle made by 0, 0, 0, comma beta and alpha, comma beta. So alpha, comma beta is here. 0, comma beta will be here. So it is a right angle triangle like this. So what is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is half into base into height. Height is alpha because this is the height now, alpha, x coordinate. This is the base, which is beta. So half alpha beta is the answer, which will be half into 2 sine 75 into 2 cos 75. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. I'll have 2 sine 75 cos 75, which is sine of 150. Sine of 150, my dear students, is equal to half. So the answer is half. Very good question. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. With that, we will move forward. If you guys have any doubts, let me know. Okay, guys, are you all fine with it? Shall we proceed? Bhargav, yes. Anupam Singh, that's absolutely right. Very good, Kirito. I'm so happy you guys are all following it. Now, we will proceed to the next one. Okay, so here we go. The next question for you guys is right on your screen. How do you solve this question? So this is something which I have been telling you for a long time. Guys, tan inverse series is very common in JEE Mains. In February attempt also you had one question from this. In April attempt also you will have, because March again it is repeated. Okay, so are you all ready? Very good, Radhe, that's fantastic. Exactly, Abhishek. Telescopic series. Arundhati, try to revise chemistry, NCRT, very important. Math, revise the formulas, especially what is being repeated frequently. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Listen carefully. So what I'll do here is, I will divide numerator and denominator by 2 to the power 2r plus 1. I will divide numerator and denominator by 2 to the power 2r plus 1. So what will I be left out with? You guys have to tell me. Think about it. So I'll have 3 into 2 to the power r divided by 2 to the power r into 2 to the power r plus 1. Because 2 to the power 2r plus 1 can be written as 2 to the power r into 2 to the power r plus 1. Okay, that's what I did. Divided by 1 plus 3 by 2 to the power 2r plus 1. Are you all fine with it? Yes? Are you all cool with it, guys? I hope you're all able to follow. Yes or no? Are you guys able to understand? Now, this I can write it as 3 by 2 to the power r plus 1 into 3 by 2 to the power r. Got it? And I can write the numerator as a difference of these two. So the difference of these two will be what? 3 by 2 to the power r plus 1 minus 3 by 2 to the power r. What will that be? Can you guys think about it? It will be 3 to the power r plus 1 by 2 to the power r plus 1 minus 3 to the power r by 2 to the power r. So I'll multiply by 2 on both sides. So I'll get what? I'll get 3 into 3 to the power r minus 2 into 3 to the power r divided by 2 to the power 2r plus 1. So I will get 3 to the power r I will get 3 to the power r divided by 2 to the power 2r plus 1. That's exactly what we have here. Are you all able to follow that? Yes? So I can write it in this fashion. I can write it as, the numerator can be simplified as 3 by 2 to the power r plus 1 minus 3 by 2 to the power r. So this will simplify as what? Tan inverse of 3 by 2 to the power r plus 1 minus 3 by 2 to the power r. Now you sum it up, you will have what? R equal to 1 to infinity. So the answer will be tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of 3 by 2. So it will be pi by 2 minus tan inverse of 3 by 2, which will be cot inverse of 3 by 2. That's your answer. I hope you guys got it. Tan inverse expansion. What do you mean by that, Tanishk? Tanishk, what expansion you want? You want me to expand tan inverse of x? Guys, this is the most important one. So Tanishk, if you have this now, you can write this as tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Are you clear with that? That's exactly what I've done. Okay, so that is what I have used. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y can be written as tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. That is what I have tried to use. Is that clear? Are you guys able to follow that? Okay, fantastic. So Dhanalakshmi, this is the way to solve it. I hope you understood it. Try to think over it and then you guys will be able to complete it. Okay. So guys, here the denominator is 2 to the power r plus 1. It is not 2 to the power 2r plus 1. It is 2 to the power r plus 1. That's exactly what you will get from here. So you have 3 to the power r by 2 to the power r plus 1. So if I cancel 2 and 2, I'll have 3 to the power r by 2 to the power r plus 1. So exactly what I have in the numerator, I'm writing it like this. Okay. So shall we move forward? Jagadish, chemistry will be after this, man. We are almost done. We have a few more questions left out. We will complete it. So people, shall we move ahead? Should we show all the steps? Jahnavi, it's an objective exam. Why do you want to show all the steps? But this is the way it proceeds usually for tan inverse questions. So whatever you have in the denominator, right? If you can express it as 1 plus xy, the numerator should be x minus y. So that is how you have to think. So that is why I did it separately. Now, this numerator, I am expressing it as the denominator. If it is xy, I am expressing the numerator as x minus y. That's what I tried to do. Okay. So let's proceed to the next question. This is again an interesting one. Let's see how to solve this. Okay. So what do we have here? Log 10 sin x plus log 10 cos x, which will be what? Log 10 sin x cos x, and that is equal to minus 1. So I can say sin x cos x is equal to what? Is equal to 1 by 10, because it will be 10 to the power minus 1. Okay. So this is one expression we have. Let's have it as such. Now this one, I will take this 2 to the other side. So it will be 2 log to the base 10 sin x plus cos x is equal to log 10 n minus 1. So that will be log to the base 10 n by 10. Okay. Now this 2 I can take it to the power, and I will have sin x plus cos x whole square is equal to n by 10. Okay. So what is this square? It is sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is what? 1 by 10, and that is equal to n by 10. So n will be what? N will be equal to 12. So 12 is the answer, and that's how you solve it. Okay. Very good, Jahnavi. That's absolutely correct. Okay, Jagadish. So people, I hope you all have understood it. If you're all clear, then we will move forward. Yes? Are you all cool with this? Shall I move forward to the next question? How 1 by 10? Because Ritesh, I am removing log. Otherwise, you write minus 1 as log of 1 by 10 to the base 10. So now when I remove logarithms, so I'll have sin x cos x is equal to 1 by 10, like that. Okay, I use log properties. Amrita, it was not easy. It was a bit lengthy, but it was moderate. It was moderate. I would not say it is difficult. Yes, Anudeep. Yes. A very exciting day for us. We crossed 25k subscribers. Thanks to you guys. You are all the ones who made it happen. How log of n by 10? So let me explain that. Please listen carefully. So Surender, see, you have log 10 to the base n, log n to the base 10 minus 1 is there. Now 1 I can write it as log of 10 to the base 10. So that by log properties you can write it as. So that's how I wrote it. Okay, it's very simple, nothing great. Manish, that is a long way, man. If you guys help us, we can reach there soon. It all depends on you. Chakradhar, that's a very good percentile. You can get NIT everywhere, man. So don't worry about it. Start preparing for advance. Start preparing for JEE Advance. Okay. Guys, let's move forward to the next one. So I want you to find the number of solutions of this equation over here. The PDF Srijit will be shared to you after the class. Okay. It will be solved after, it will be given to you after the class is over, because chemistry session is there, and we will be solving paper 2 also. Shift 2 also we will solve. Wait for it. It will be at night. So this is 2 solutions. Yes, you are absolutely right. So first of all, where does this change sign? This mod x changes sign at 0. This mod changes sign at minus 4. So I will draw the number line. I need to check at these 2 points. I have to be careful. So I will check for x less than minus 4. That is one case. Second case is x between minus 4 to 0. And the third case is when x is greater than 0. So x less than minus 4 means what? The first modulus will be negative. So it will be minus of x plus 3. The second modulus also will be negative. So that will cancel out. It will be x plus 4. Okay, is equal to 6. So you will get x square plus 7x plus 12 minus 6, so that will be plus 6 is equal to 0. So x will be minus 6 or minus 1. Now x is less than minus 4. So only this is correct. So only one solution. Because minus 1 is greater than minus 4. So that's not allowed. Okay. I hope you guys got it. Now case 2. Minus 4 to 0. Now minus 4 to 0. This will be positive. So it will be x plus 4. But this will be negative. So it will be into minus of x plus 3 is equal to 6. So I'll have x square plus 7x plus 18 is equal to 0. So what will that be? Though the answer will be x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square 49. Oh, that discriminant is less than 0. So here your discriminant is less than 0. So no solution. Okay. Now the third case is when x is positive. The both will be positive. So x minus 3 into x plus 4 will be equal to 6. So that will be equal to what? X square plus x minus 12 is equal to 6. So I'll get x square plus x minus 18 is equal to 0. So I'll get x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square 1 minus 4ac 72 73 divided by 2a. So one of them will be positive. So one solution. So one solution here, 0 solution here, one solution here. So the total number of solution is 2. So that's the answer. I hope you liked it. Did you guys enjoy it? Everybody? All of you clear with it? Shall I move forward, people? Did you all understand it? Very good, Shimon Sir fan. That's awesome. I am so happy you guys are all doing well. Keep it up. Keep improving. Do the next attempt also well. And we will be there to support you. Okay. So people, this is the last question, I guess. Okay. So this is the last question. 3 normals are drawn to the parabola. These normals may meet on the x-axis if and only if. This is a very easy question. So if the normals meet at the x-axis, then your x-coordinate should be greater than 2a. That's a formula. So what is a over here? A is equal to 4a is equal to 2. So a is equal to half. So x is greater than 2a is what? 2 into 1 by 2. So x is greater than 1. So the answer is, that's a direct formula. You should know it. That's a direct formula. You guys should definitely know it. Okay. Are you all clear with this? Shall we move forward? Everybody? So whenever you have 3 normals meeting at a point, okay, that is called as a conormal point. If the conormal point lies on the x-axis, it should be greater than 2a. That's a direct formula. Got it? When to apply this? Ritesh, you apply this when you have 3 normals meeting at a point on the x-axis. It is the concept of conormal points. It is a concept of conormal points. Check it out. You will be finding it in SL Loney, in books like SL Loney and all. Okay. So with that, I think, okay, we have one more. So if n is the number of irrational terms in this expansion, then n minus 1 is divisible by. So guys, this is again a very simple question. I'm sure you can solve it. So any general term can be given as what? 60 CR 3 to the power 60 minus r by 4 into 5 to the power r by 8. Okay. So the rational terms will be what? R equal to 0, r equal to 8, 16, 30, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. So these are the terms for which 5 to the power r by 8 will be rational. Okay. So for all these values, will this be rational? We will check that as well. 60 minus 8 by 4, 60 minus 16, 24. Yes, 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 it should be. So how many rational terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are totally 61 terms and you have 8 rational terms. So the answer is 53. Is that correct? 52 is it? Yeah. Okay, 53. So this is 53. 53 minus 1 is 52. 52 is divisible by 13. 13 should be the answer. Okay. Are you all clear with this? Did you like it? Everybody? Did you guys enjoy it? Everybody clear with this? Shall I move forward? Yes? Is there any trick to solve this? Gwen Stacy, this was very simple. Now I just wrote the general term, and you just see to it that these are rational. So what I'm doing, Stacy, is I'm trying to find the rational terms first. Rational terms means these two powers should be whole numbers. So if these two powers are whole numbers, they will be rational numbers. So I was trying to make that happen. After I made that happen, we want irrational terms. So irrational terms is total number of terms, which is n plus 1 minus the rational terms. Okay, so total is 61, rational is 8. So 61 minus 8 is 53. Got it? So 53 rational terms, we want n minus 1, so 52. 52 is divisible by 26. I think 26 was there in the option. Okay, very good, very good. That is absolutely correct, guys. So I think with that we are done. Okay, so guys, Wassim Sir will come now. Please wait for it. In case you liked the session, if you liked the teaching of Shreyas Sir, Wassim Sir and myself, and if you want to join the crash course at Vedantu, do check it out. The link will be shared to you. If we have unlimited doubt solving, we had mock test, and we have exam strategy. All of this for a price of almost 7,000 with 20 All India test series. So 7,000 is the price of the crash course. This is the coupon code SJCC. In case you guys are interested, do join it. The link will be given below in the description. Just click on that link, use this coupon code, and I will meet you in the class. Okay? So with that, we will stop. I will pass it over to Wassim Sir. You guys can go have fun with chemistry discussion. I'm sure you will learn a lot. Okay? So take care, guys. Bye-bye. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that. And also like the videos in case you enjoyed it. Okay? See you all in the next one, guys. Bye-bye. Take care. All the very best.
ਖਾਣੀਆਂ Bro, do you see that go?
Good evening everyone. Good evening. Hope you guys are doing great. Well guys, let me know in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone. Let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone. Welcome back guys. I'm sure you'd have loved the physics and the maths discussion. Yes. Let me know in the chat box if I'm audible and visible to everyone. Yes, Shruti. Yes. Kabir sir is here. It's Wassim sir. It's not Kabir sir. Yeah. Well, first of all, let me know in the chat box how was your chemistry paper, guys. Let me know in the chat box. Well, I found it very easy. Trust me on that. Okay. What about you guys? Let me know in the chat box first. Hit the chat box with the fire symbols. Yes. So that I get to know what it was, how it was. Yes. Good evening, Pearl. Good evening. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the session. Let's get to know your favorite chemistry part. I know you would have killed it, yeah? Perfect, guys. Perfect. So till now, you're done with the maths and the physics session. Now it's going to be the turn of the chemistry with me. Yes. So before starting the session, let me introduce myself. As you must be knowing now, my name is Wassim Bhatt and I'm your chemistry master DJ writer. Yes. Well, someone is saying, sir, live streaming stopped. Is that? Just let me check it. No, it's going on, yeah? People, am I audible and visible to every single guy? Yeah? Just let me refresh the page once. Okay, perfect, guys. Perfect. It's fine. Yes. All right. So, for the ones who have not liked the video yet, do not forget to like the video, share and subscribe the channel at the same time so that everyone gets benefited out of these sessions. Okay. So, people, without wasting a lot of time, let's get started with the first question, which was in your session. Yes. Okay. What was your answer for this question, guys? Very simple question from the chapter Thermodynamics. Yes. Heat and work hour. What do you think? What do you think should be the answer? People have taught this all in detail. Yes. It's a very simple question. Yes. Exactly, guys. Exactly. Well, this chemistry paper is not going to take more than 20 minutes to solve. Yes. Okay, I'll be just finishing it off in not more than 20-25 minutes. Yeah. So exactly, guys, your heat and work, Q and W, they are the path functions. Yes, they are the path functions. Okay. Internal energy, enthalpy, entropy, Gibbs free energy, all those are state functions, whereas heat and work are the ones which are considered to be what? Which are considered to be path functions. Number one. Okay. So how many of you got +4 in this one? Let me know in the chat box. Let me see how many of you got +4 in this one. Yeah. So correct option is supposed to be option A right here, which is the path functions. Let me know in the chat box how many of you got +4 in this one. Yeah. Let me know in the chat box how many of you got +4 in this one. I'm damn sure majority of you guys would have got +4 in this one because it was a very simple and ordinary question. Yes. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Let me directly move on to the second question, which is on your screen now. Well. The elevation in boiling point. Yes, the elevation in boiling point. Well, guys, I could not get the options of this question, but still we can solve this question. We can get to know the correct answer of this one. Yeah. Well, first of all, let me know how many of you think that they have done it correctly. Let me know in the chat box. How many of you think they are going to get +4 in this one as well? Let me know fast. Let me know fast in the chat box. It's a very simple question. Yes. Well, guys, in the last session which we took, the sure shot, in that sure shot there was this same pattern of question discussed. Yeah, I hope you would have seen that. Perfect, guys. All right, have a look. I'm going with AB2. Well, have a look, guys. This AB2, it's getting converted to A di positive plus 2 times B negative. Well, from one molecule of it, you are getting 2 particles, 1 particle and 2 particles. So I must say the value of N right here is first of all 3, right? How many particles you get from one particle of it? That defines the value of N right here, and the value of N right here is 3 first thing, okay? Well, I'm given with the value of alpha as well. Alpha is given as 0.1. Yes. First thing, in case of dissociation, how do we calculate the Van 't Hoff factor? I is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into alpha, right? So I is simply going to be equal to 1 plus n value is nothing, it is 3. So 3 minus 1, alpha value is given in the equation, it is 0.1. So people, you get the value of I as 1 plus 2 multiplied by 0.1, this is 0.2. So value of I will come out to be 1.2. So first thing which I calculated right here, that is the Van 't Hoff factor. Why did I calculate this Van 't Hoff factor? Because we know elevation in boiling point is always equal to I multiplied by Kb multiplied by molality of solution, right? Well, I'm not sure whether it was mentioned in the equation to calculate the elevation in boiling point or boiling point of solution, okay? Well, I'm going to show you both the ones, yeah? See guys, delta TB, which is the elevation in boiling point, which is going to be equal to boiling point of solution, or let's keep it as such first, let's keep it as such. We are supposed to calculate delta TB first, okay? It's going to be equal to I, Van 't Hoff factor, we calculated 1.2, Kb value was given to us, that was 0.5, and molality of the solution was also given to us, that is 10, right? So you get the value of delta TB right here as 6. So 6 is something which is what we call as elevation in boiling point right here. If you were supposed to calculate elevation in boiling point, then 6 would have been the answer. If you were supposed to calculate the boiling point of solution, then it should have been written like this. Elevation in boiling point will be equal to what? It's going to be equal to boiling point of solution minus boiling point of solvent, right? And solvent right here we are going to use as water. Yes, and the boiling point of water, as you all must be knowing, that is 100 degrees centigrade. So boiling point of solution would have come as 106 degree centigrade right here. If you were supposed to calculate elevation in boiling point, then 6 was the answer. If you were supposed to calculate the boiling point of the solution, then it's going to be 106 right here. Yes? Okay. Perfect, perfect. How many of you got +4 in this one? How many of you got +4 in this one? Let me know in the chat box with the thumbs ups. Yes. Thank you, Ansika. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right, Adesh. Perfect. Perfectly done. How many of you got +4 in this one? Let me know fast. Wonderful, guys. Great job done. All right, all right. This was the question from the solution. Elevation in boiling point. Yes. Let's move on to the third question, guys, which is on your screen now. Well, a very simple and ordinary question, just the formula-based one, right? We are given with the molality of the solution, right? We are given with the density of the solution. We are supposed to calculate the molarity of the solution. One direct result you were supposed to use in this. The question was done and dusted, right? Pearl, I told you how to get the value of n. Okay. For example, if I've got a substance like A, it gives B plus C. Let's say it is one balanced equation right here. One particle, the number of particles which we get from one particle of it, that means I'm getting 2 particles from one particle of it. So n value will be simply 2. Okay. This is how we calculate n right here. Okay. Now guys, see. 6.5 molar solution. I'm given with the molality of the solution, which is 6.5. Yes. I'm given with the solute, which is potassium hydroxide, a KOH right here, and I'm given with the density of the solution as well, which is 1.89 grams per centimeter cube, right? Yes. Now guys, the direct result you guys were supposed to use in this, molality is equal to 1000 multiplied by molarity of the solution divided by 1000 multiplied by density of solution minus molarity multiplied by molar mass of solute. That's it. That's it. Every parameter right here was given to us. Okay. I was given with the molality of the solution. M value was given to me as 6.5. Right? I was supposed to calculate the molarity of solution. Yes, this is something which I was supposed to calculate. Density of solution was given to me as 1.89 grams per centimeter cube. Molarity of the solution, something to calculate, right? Molar mass of KOH, you can easily calculate. Potassium will be 39 plus 140. 40 plus 16 means 56, right? It's 56 grams per mole right here. I was given all the parameters in the equation. In the equation, I just have got one unknown parameter, that is the molarity. So we were supposed to calculate that. Okay. And the correct answer of this question after the calculations, you'll be getting as 10.9 moles per liter. Let me know how many of you got this as the answer. Let me know how many of you got this as the answer. Let me know in the chat box how many of you used this formula and got the molarity of the solution around 10.9. Yes. Let me know in the chat box with the thumbs ups, guys. Let me know in the chat box fast. Yes. Let me know in the chat box. I'm just looking at your chat box. Let me know fast. Well, Rohit is done with this question. That's great, Rohit. What about the rest of the people? Perfect. Santosh, bro, this is the English channel. Okay, perfect guys, perfect. Majority of you guys have got +4 in this one. Yes, a very simple question, the formula based one, yeah? Well, I've shown you in detail how to solve these sort of questions in the regular sessions as well. Well, you can check the playlist as well, yeah? Perfect guys, perfect. Let's move on to one more question from the Arrhenius equation guys. A very simple and ordinary question, just the calculation based. If you remember the formula, you can easily kill this one, yeah? Right? Have a look how to solve this sort of equation. K1 value was given to me, right? Rate constant K1 value was given to me as 10 power minus 3 second inverse. Activation energy was given to me as 11.48 kilojoules, which is going to be 11.48 into the 10 power 3 joules. Well, R value is given to me, right? Initial temperature was given to me. T1 value was given to me as 200 Kelvin. And what was I supposed to calculate? I was supposed to calculate the final value of K at temperature 300 Kelvin. That means I was supposed to calculate the final value of K, which I'm representing by K2 at temperature T2 is equal to 300 Kelvin. Well, guys, there's a very simple relation to calculate this K2 right here. Yes, very simple thing. Have a look. The relation is going to be log of K2 divided by K1 is equal to what? Is equal to EA divided by 2.303 R multiplied by 1 divided by T1 minus 1 divided by T2. This was the general result which you guys were supposed to use in order to get the value of K2, right? A very simple and ordinary question. This was just the calculation based. We were supposed to calculate the value of K2. K1 value was given to us, activation energy was given to us in joules, right? And R value 8.314, T1 temperature in Kelvin 200, T2 temperature in Kelvin 300, every single thing was given to us. We were just do the calculation part. That's it. Yes. Let me know how many of you guys kill this question. Let me know fast in the chat box. Yeah. Let me know in the chat box how many of you got it right. Let me know in the chat box. I'm just waiting for your answers. Well, Abhishek is saying he got +4 in this one. What about the rest of the people, guys? What about the rest of the people? Well, I can see a lot of people are giving me thumbs up signs. That means they have killed it, yeah? It's a formula-based question. If you remember the formula, you can easily solve this one, yeah? Right? Perfect, guys. And the correct answer after doing the calculation was coming out to be 10. Okay, so 10 was supposed to be the correct answer of this question. Yeah. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Let's move on to one more question from the solid state. Okay. Let me know how many of you did this question. Let me know how many of you did this question. Let me know how many of you did this sort of a question, guys. Right, for BCC unit cell. The edge length is 27 angstroms. Find the length of the same unit cell in FCC arrangement. Yeah? That's great, Shruti. That's great. Well, if you remember the solid state session which I took, 4 or 5 days back, in that one shot we have done this question. Yeah? Do you remember? Exactly, guys. Exactly. Perfect. Well, how this question was supposed to be done? I was given with the BCC unit cell, and its edge length was supposed to be 27 angstroms, right? And in case of BCC, we know √3a is equal to 4r in case of BCC unit cell, right? Edge length of the BCC unit cell was given to me, so it's going to be √3 multiplied by a value is 27 angstroms divided by 4. This is how I'll be calculating the radius of the particle. Yes, √3 value all of you must be knowing, that is 1.71 multiplied by 27 divided by 4 angstroms is going to be the value of r right here. This is the radius of the particle which I got. Well, was I supposed to calculate the radius of the particle? No, I was supposed to calculate the length of the same unit cell in FCC, right? If in case of FCC, I hope you remember in case of FCC, I can write R is equal to A divided by 2√2, and in case of FCC, I was supposed to get the value of A, so A was supposed to be 2√2R, and R value we have already got from here, right? R value we have already got from here, yes, correct? You were supposed to just do the calculation part, the question was done and dusted, right? 2√2 multiplied by R value was √3 multiplied by 27 divided by 4. Just do a little bit of calculation, get the value in angstroms which you were supposed to calculate. Yes? Right. Right. Let me know in the chat box. Well, Gopala, you can watch that. You can watch the rest of the session you can go to the playlist wherein you can see the solid state lectures. Okay, I've finished that whole chapter in that. Yeah? Okay. Well, Madan, you are supposed to remember some roots values, like root 2 value is 1.4, root 3 is 1.7, root 4 is 2, right? You're supposed to remember those values, yeah? Done and dusted? Wonderful, guys. Great job done. Great job done. Great job done. The answer will be coming out to be 33 around, yeah? Perfect. Let's move on to one more question. Simple balancing of a redox reaction. Balancing of a redox reaction. Yes. See, guys, how will I be solving this question? The first thing, I'm given with the reaction as 2 times MnO4 negative, 2 times MnO4 negative plus C2O4 di negative, right? It gives what? It gives carbon dioxide plus Mn di positive. This is something. I'm writing the equation. I skipped this H positive and this water right here. Why I did that? Have a look. Have a look how I'll be solving this question. Very simple, guys. First thing, get the value of oxidation state. Just remove this 2 from here as well. Let me show it from the exact basics. Get the oxidation state of Mn right here, it's +7. Get the oxidation state of carbon right here, it's going to be +3, oxalate ion, right? Get the oxidation state of carbon right here, it's +4. Get the oxidation state of Mn right here, it's +2. Yeah? Now, people, have a look. Oxidation state of Mn is changing from +7 to +2. What is the change in the oxidation state of Mn? That is 5. 5 is the change in the oxidation state of Mn. So I'll say n factor of MnO4 right here is going to be 5. Right? Similarly, guys, carbon is changing its oxidation state from +3 to +4. So change in the oxidation state is 1, but that 1 is the change in oxidation state for 1 atom of carbon, but our 2 atoms, so its n factor is 2. So n factor of oxalate right here is 2. Now what I'll be simply doing, just do the crisscross of these n factors. Just do the crisscross of these n factors. Just keep this 2 as the stoichiometric coefficient right here. Keep this 5 as the stoichiometric coefficient right here. Now, people, balance all the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Yes, see, we have got 2 Mn right here, so I'm going to keep it like this 2 times, right? We have got 5 to 10 carbon, so balance the 10 carbons, right? Now, after balancing the atoms other than your oxygen and hydrogen, it's time to balance oxygen and hydrogen. Now, it's time to balance oxygen atoms. On the reactant side, how many oxygen atoms do we have? 4 2s are 8 plus 5 4s are 20. So, on the reactant side, I've got 28 atoms of oxygen, and on the product side I've got 20 atoms of oxygen, right? 28 atoms of oxygen on the left side, 20 atoms of oxygen on the right side. So what I'll be doing, I'll be adding 8 water molecules on the left side in order to balance oxygen. Yes, after adding 8 water molecules in order to balance oxygen, now it's the time to balance the H positives. So I've got 16 hydrogens right here, so add 16 H positive right here, and I was supposed to get the value of C, where C is the stoichiometric coefficient of H positive, and stoichiometric coefficient of H positive comes out to be 16. So 16 was supposed to be the correct one among all. Yes? Right. Yes? Let me know how many of you got it as right. Let me know how many of you got it right. Yes, Sachin, the same question was asked in 24th February first shift, right? The same question got repeated. Yeah? Perfect. Yes, Narayan, second shift paper will be also done by me. Yes. Tonight only we'll be doing it. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Let's move on to one more question which is on your screen. Let's do it fast. Total volume of the container is V, which contains 16 grams of O2, 44 grams of carbon dioxide, 28 grams of N2. Find the pressure. A very simple and ordinary question from the states of matter, right? You just need to do the solid. You just need to use the ideal gas equation. That's it. Well, EGG gaming, well, I have completed that solid state. You just go to the playlist or you just search solid state by Wassim Sir. You'll be getting all the lectures of solid state. Okay, I've finished that, right? Okay, now guys, have a look. Total volume of the container is given to me as V, and in the container I've got 16 grams of O2. 16 grams of O2 means how many moles of O2? Given mass of O2 divided by molar mass of O2, that means 1/2. So I was given with 1/2 moles of O2 in the container. 44 grams of carbon dioxide means how many moles of carbon dioxide? That means 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Given mass divided by molar mass, that's also 44. Similarly, number of moles of N2 in the container, that is mass of N2 28 grams divided by molar mass of N2, that's 28. Value comes out to be 1. So in the container, you have got half moles of O2, you have got 1 mole of carbon dioxide, you have got 1 mole of N2 as well. Yes. So people, how many total moles are there in the container? Very simple. How many total moles are there in the container? Total moles in the container are going to be 1/2 plus 1 plus 1. It's going to be 5/2. So 5/2 are the total moles present in the container. Just use the ideal gas equation. P is equal to nRT divided by V, where n value is 5 divided by 2. It's RT and it's going to be V in the denominator. So 5RT divided by 2V is going to be the correct answer. Option B was supposed to be the one. Yes. Let me know in the chat box how many of you got it right. First. Let me know in the chat box how many of you got it right. Is that Shreya? Is that? Well, this is the question from chemistry, yeah? Okay, perfect guys, perfect. Let's move on to one more question which is on your screen now. The increasing thermal stability of group 16 elements. Let me know in the chat box fast. Increasing thermal stability of these group 16s, right? H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2T, HT, H2PO. What do you think? Down the group, what happens to the thermal stability of the hydrides of group 16? Definitely it decreases down the group, yes? Right? It decreases down the group. Yes, because the bond energy also decreases down the group. Yes, right? Perfect guys, perfect. Exactly. The stability, the thermal stability of the group 16 hydrides are going to decrease down the group, right? So stability order is going to be H2O is going to have maximum thermal stability, followed by H2S, followed by H2SE, followed by H2TE, followed by H2PO, right? This is going to be direct question from your NCERT, right? This is the direct question from your NCERT, right? As you all can see right here, owing to the decrease in the enthalpy of the dissociation of He bond down the group, the thermal stability of hydrides also decreases from H2O to H2PO, right? Yes. This was the question, guys. This was the question. Directly from your NCERT, yeah? Yeah. It's mains. It's not class test, yeah? Naveen, no way. Chemistry paper was damn easy, yeah. It was the easiest among all. All right. Oh, Lindlar's catalyst. Directly the question from NCERT again. Lindlar's catalyst is which one? Directly the question from the NCERT. Line by line, they have touched the NCERT, guys. Okay, let me know fast. Let me know fast in the chat box. What do you think should be the answer of this one? Let me know how many of you got it right. Fast. Let me know what is the answer of this question. Exactly, guys. Exactly. Perfectly. It's going to be partially deactivated PD charcoal H2, right? Well, I told you this is a direct question from the NCERT. Partially deactivated palladized charcoal is known as Lindlar's catalyst. Yes, the direct question from your NCERT, right? Perfect, guys. Exactly. Majority of you guys have done it correctly. Wonderful, guys. Great job done. Perfect. I'm moving on to one more question which is on your screen. Which vitamin is stored in body for a longer time? Let me know fast. ADEK, right? Right? Which vitamin is stored in the body for a long time? Which one is going to be? Which option is going to be? See guys, again the question from your direct NCERT, right? It's going to be vitamin A and vitamin D which can be stored in the body for a longer time, okay? Yes? Perfect. Let me know if you got it right. Let me know how many of you got it right. I just want to see it exactly. Yeah? Exactly, guys. The correct option was supposed to be option A. Vitamin A and vitamin D is the other ones which are stored in the body for longer time. Okay? Right? I told you direct question from your NCERT. Direct question. Exactly. Yes. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Right? Right? As I told you, these vitamins are A, D, E, K. Okay? Right? All right. Let's move on to one more question which is on your screen. And this is the question. Sulfur can be removed from or by. Let me know the answer of this question. Again, the direct question from NCERT. The direct question from NCERT. Priya, it's better for you to watch the sure shot. Yeah. Exactly, guys. It's going to be roasting. Yes, direct question from NCERT. Correct. It's going to be roasting by means of which sulfur can be removed from its ore. Yes. Yeah. And most of the questions were memory-based questions, guys. Okay. Most of the questions which were asked in today's session, these were memory-based questions, right? All right. Let's move on to one more question. Bond angle of H2 is 104. Who does not know it, guys? Second statement, lone pair repulsion is higher than bond pair repulsion. You tell me, what should be the correct answer? I'm not going to explain this one. Let me know fast. Absolutely, guys, in case of bond angle, the expected bond angle was 109 degree 28 minutes, but due to the repulsions, there is contraction of bond angle to 104 degree 5 minutes. Yes. So first statement is correct, as well as the second statement. Lone pair repulsions are definitely higher than that of bond pair repulsions, right? Yes, exactly. Option A is supposed to be the correct one. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct ones. The direct question from NCERT, okay? Yeah? Perfect, guys, perfect. Let's move on to one more question. See, this is something which you all must be knowing. As I told you, it's a direct question from NCERT. 104 degree 5 minutes is going to be the bond angle in case of water, yeah? All right, one more question is on your screen. If lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 are the first three lines of Balmer series, find lambda 1 by lambda 3. People, did you find this sort of a question? Did you find this sort of a question in the today's session? Yeah? Exactly, I'm telling you guys, the paper was very, very, very easy. Okay, let's see what the answer of this question will be. See guys, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the first three lines of Balmer series. Okay, so first thing, let's say this is your energy state 1. Okay, let's say this is energy state 2. Let's say this is energy state 3. And let's say this energy state 4. And let's assume this energy state 5. Yeah. Now guys, Balmer series is the one which we get when the electron makes a transition from higher energy state to shell number 2. Okay, to shell number 2, when the electron makes a transition from higher energy state to shell number 2, right? Well guys, the first line of Balmer series is going to be when the electron makes a transition from 3 to 1. This is going to be the first line which we call as H alpha line of Balmer series, right? Okay, and the wavelength emitted right here is lambda 1. The second line of Balmer series is going to be from when the electron makes a transition from shell number 4 to shell number 3, lambda 2. And when the electron makes a transition from shell number 5 to shell number 3, it's going to be lambda 3, right? I need to get the ratio of what? I need to get the ratio of lambda 1 to lambda 3, correct? Well, very simple thing. As per your Rydberg's formula, 1 divided by lambda is equal to RH Z square multiplied by 1 upon N1 square minus 1 upon N2 square. Right? This is your Rydberg's formula. Now use the Rydberg's formula, get the ratio, done and dusted, right? First of all, I need to get the ratio of lambda 1 and lambda 2. So I'm going to write 1 by lambda 1 is equal to RH, keep it as such. Since we are talking about hydrogen, Z value is 1. 1 divided by N1. 1 divided by N1. N1 is the lower energy state right here, which is 2, and N2 is 3. So N1 is going to be 2 ka square minus 1 divided by N2 square. That means 3 ka square, right? So what is the value which you'll be getting right here? It's going to be RH, it's going to be 9 minus 4, that is 5 divided by 9 multiplied by 4, that is 36. RH multiplied by 5 by 36. This is something which you got, yes. Now similarly, 1 by lambda 2. Lambda 2 is the one when the electron makes a transition from shell number 4 to shell number 2. So for this lambda 2, N1 value is N1 value is 2, N2 value again is 4. Again use the Rydberg's formula, it's going to be RH 1 divided by N1 square is 2 square minus N2 square is 4 square. The question is again done and dusted. It's going to be RH multiplied by what? It's going to be 16 minus 4, that is 12, divided by 16 multiplied by 4, that is 64. Right? I got these things. Now I'm going to divide the two. I need to get the value of lambda 1 by lambda 2. Okay. Let's call this as equation number second. Let's call this as equation number first. Okay. Just do one thing. Just divide second by first. Okay. What you'll be getting? You'll be getting lambda 1 divided by lambda 2. RH got cancelled. So it's going to be what? It's going to be 12 divided by 64 multiplied by 36 divided by 5. Something like this. Yeah. Correct? Well, people, this is something, if you were supposed to get the value of lambda 1 by lambda 2. Well, I'm not sure whether we were supposed to calculate lambda 1 is to lambda 2 or lambda 1 is to lambda 3. This is the one which you would have got if in the question you were supposed to calculate lambda 1 by lambda 2. But if in the question you were supposed to calculate lambda 1 by lambda 3, you would have solved it in the same way, right? You would have solved it in the same way, correct? Right? In the same way you would have solved it. Well, lambda 3, as you all must be knowing, or let me write it as per the Rydberg's formula, 1 divided by lambda 3 is nothing. It's going to be RH Z square, which is 1. 1 divided by N1 square is 2 ka square, that means 4, minus 1 divided by N2. N2 is 5, right? 5 ka square means 25, right? Yes. So keep this as equation 3. Just divide first by 3, get the value, done and dusted, right? Okay. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Let's move on to one more question. Which is on your screen. A metal in group 15 forms a hydride and it's a strong reducing agent in the group. Okay. Which one it's going to be? Group 1 hydrides. NH3, PH3, BiH3, right? SbH3. Which one is going to be the correct one? Which one is going to be the correct one? Absolutely, guys, BiH3 is going to be the answer, right? BiH3 is going to be the strong reducing agent among all the hydrides of group 15. Yes, exactly, it's going to be BiH3. Directly the question from your NCERT, right? Consequently, the reducing character of the hydrides increases down the group, right? I kept on telling you all the time, just go through the NCERT line by line. Yes, right? Okay, let's move on to one more question which is on your screen. Aspirin. Well, this was once asked in AIEEE as well, okay, like before 10-15 years. The same question got repeated. Aspirin is also known as. What is the name of aspirin, guys? What is its IUPAC name? Can you let me know in the chat box? Right? It's a very simple question. Is it going to be 2-acetoxybenzoic acid, right? It's going to be 2-acetoxybenzoic acid, and this is the structure of it as well, yeah? Exactly, the same question which used to come in the AIEEE, those questions also have repeated this time, yeah? Jagdish, NEET level is going to be even lesser than this, bro. Okay? Perfect, guys, perfect. Well, Mahesh, I have no idea about it. These are memory-based questions which we directly got from the students after the session. Okay, well, we are not 100% sure about this question, but yeah. But most of the students told that this was the question asked. Perfect. Let's move on to one more. Okay, H2O2 can act as both oxidizing and reducing agent in basic medium. Statement number 2, in hydrogen economy, energy is transferred in the form of H2. Again, the question from NCERT. Direct question from NCERT, right? H2O2 in basic medium, it acts as the oxidizing agent as well as it acts as the reducing agent, right? It's a correct statement. And second statement is also correct. In hydrogen economy, definitely energy is transferred in the form of H2. So both the statements are correct, guys. Both the statements are correct. As I told you, it's directly from NCERT, as you can see right here. Okay, oxidizing action of H2O2 in basic medium, reducing action of H2O2 in basic medium, right? Yes. Well, you can check it out as well. Right here, as you can see right over here, see. Or you can check it, guys. Oxygen state of oxygen right here is -1, right here is -2, -1 to -2. Decrease in oxygen state means reduction. Anyone which undergoes reduction acts as the oxidizing agent. So in the first one, H2O2 acts as the oxidizing agent. In the second one, similarly, H2O2 acts as the reducing agent. That's it. In basic medium, definitely H2O2 acts as the oxidizing as well as a reducing agent, right? Exactly. Option A was supposed to be the correct one. Both these statements were correct. Definitely this statement, second statement is also correct, guys. In hydrogen economy, energy is definitely transferred in the form of H2, yeah? Moving on to one more question which is on your screen. Match the following. Well, people, was it mentioned as the oxidation state or N factor or valency factor? I'm not sure. Was it oxidation state over here or valency factor? Can you let me know? Can you confirm it? Can you let me know? Was it oxidation state right here or valency factor? Okay, well, people are saying it is oxidation state. Well, guys, this question, directly question from NCERT, yeah? So first of all, you were given with orthophosphorus acid, hypophosphorus acid, orthophosphoric acid and pyrophosphoric acid, right? You were supposed to calculate their oxidation states. These are the structures. If you just remember the structures and names, you are done, right? Well, guys, if I talk about the first one, what is the oxidation state of phosphorus right here? Well, this is a double bond between phosphorus and oxygen. So oxygen will get -2 charge from it. So phosphorus gets +2, right? Talking about this single bond between hydrogen and phosphorus. Phosphorus is more electronegative, so -1 +1. Right? Talking about this single bond between phosphorus and oxygen, so -1 +1. At the same time, it's going to be -1 +1. What is the oxidation state of P right here? It's going to be 2, 3, 4, 4 - 1 is 3, so it's going to be +3 right here. So oxidation state of phosphorus and orthophosphorus acid is +3, right? Orthophosphorus acid is +3. Similarly, you could have calculated in everyone. Well, I have taught these sort of questions in detail, guys, if you remember. Yeah. Yes. Now see, this is H3PO2. If you remove the structure of H3PO2, there is nothing to think then. Yeah. You just need to remember the structures. That's it. See, guys, P double bond O. Oxygen is more electronegative, so -2, and phosphorus will get +2. Single bond between phosphorus and hydrogen. Phosphorus more electronegative, -1 +1. Single bond between phosphorus and hydrogen. So phosphorus minus 1, hydrogen plus 1. Single bond between phosphorus and oxygen, oxygen minus 1, phosphorus plus 1, right? So what is the charge on this phosphorus right here? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 2 plus 1. So plus 1 is the oxygen state of phosphorus in hypophosphorus acid. Where is hypophosphorus acid? Hypophosphorus acid, phosphorus acid, where is it? Okay, it's plus 1 right here, yes? Similarly, in the rest of the two, you can do in the same way, yeah? You can do in the same way, correct? Right? Similarly, guys, if you talk about this H3PO4, there is nothing to do, guys. Just have a look. It's a double bond O between P and O, right? So first thing, oxygen will get minus 2 charge because oxygen is more electronegative than phosphorus. At the same time, phosphorus get plus 2. What about this? Single bond between phosphorus and oxygen. Oxygen gets minus 1, phosphorus gets plus 1. Single bond. Oxygen minus 1, phosphorus plus 1. Single bond. Oxygen minus 1, phosphorus plus 1. What is the total charge on phosphorus right here? 2, 3, 4, 5. So plus 5 is the oxygen state of phosphorus right here, yeah? In case of H3PO4. The question is done and dusted, right? And over here, you could have calculated in the same way, right? Yes? Okay, let's move on. Let's move on to one more question which is on the screen. Statement number 1. Enol form of acetone is less than 0.1%, which is right? Which is right, yes. Enol form of acetone is actually less than 0.1%. And enol form of acetyl acetone is 15%, which is wrong, right? Enol form of acetyl acetone is around 76%. Again, the question from NCERT, right? Enol form of acetyl acetone is 76% and keto form is 24%. I hope you remember that. Yes, so first statement is absolutely wrong right here. Similarly, enol form of acetyl acetone is stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding, which is not possible. Definitely statement second is correct. In second, you get the this hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding, due to which that chelate gets formed. I hope you remember. Right? Statement 1 is wrong, statement 2 is correct. Yes? Right, guys? So remember, the actual thing, the enol content, the enol form of acetyl acetone, actually it's not 15%, it is 76%. And keto form is 24%. The direct question from your NCERT, guys, yeah? Okay, but statement number 2 is correct. Enol form of acetyl acetone is actually stabilized by intramolecular hydrogen bonding, okay, which is not possible in case of acetone enol form, right? Okay, so what is the correct answer of this one? Statement 1 is wrong. Statement 1 is wrong. Where is it? Statement 1 is wrong and statement 2 is correct, right? Right. Okay, let's move on to one more question, guys. See, CaCl2.6 times water and MgCl2.8 times water dehydrate on heating. Is it the correct statement? Normally, we should think it's a correct statement, right? Normally, we expect this to be a correct statement, but what happens when this CaCl2.6 times water and MgCl2.8 times water, when it is heated, it undergoes hydrolysis, right? It undergoes hydrolysis. First statement is wrong. What about second statement? BeO is amphoteric, which is right, and other oxides are acidic. No, the other oxides are basic. Other oxides are basic. So both these statements are wrong. Right? CaCl2.6 times water and MgCl2.8 times water. When they are heated, they undergo hydrolysis. But BeO, it is amphoteric. This is right. But at the same time, and other oxides are acidic. This is wrong. The other oxides are basic. So both these statements actually are incorrect right here. Yes? How many of you got +4 in this one? Let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box. Let me know fast. Yes, exactly. The other oxides of the same group. Yes. He's talking about group second elements. Right? So both these statements are wrong right here. Correct? Wonderful, guys. Let's move on to one more question. Well, antihistamine. Yeah? You tell me what is it. 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 Let me know in the chat box fast. Let me know fast. Definitely, guys, it is anti-acid and anti-allergic, right? This antihistamine, it is anti-allergic and anti-acid. Direct question from your NCERT, which is the Bible of the JEE and NEET nowadays, yeah? Correct? Correct. Right? Okay, well, this is one more question. Okay. C +4 gets converted to C tri positive. First of all, is this the oxidation potential or reduction potential? +4 to +3. Decrease in oxygen state means reduction. So this is standard reduction potential right here. Yes, actually the standard reduction potential of cerium is very, very high. Yes, 1.74. But the second statement, guys, Ce+4 is more stable than Ce tri-positive. Is it right? Ce tri-positive is more stable than Ce+4. That is why your Ce4 positive, it gets converted to Ce+3. Right? Ce+4 gets converted to Ce+3. Because Ce+3 is more stable than Ce+4. Again, the question directly from NCERT, right? The E0 value of Ce+4 getting converted to Ce+3 is 1.74. Yes, right? Direct statement from NCERT, guys. Direct statement from NCERT. Yeah? So statement number 1 is correct, but statement number 2 is wrong. Well, it should have been like this. Ce tri-positive is more stable than Ce+4, right? So first one is correct, second one is wrong. Yeah? Right? Okay, let me move on to a few more questions. Let's see if we have more. Exactly. Which of the following are aromatic, guys? Was this question asked? Was this question there? Which of the following are aromatic? Well, for the molecule, for the compound to be aromatic, it should follow certain conditions. The molecule must be planar. Molecule must be planar, the first thing, right? Right? And at the same time, it should follow the Huckel's rule at the same time, 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Yeah? Okay? See guys, the first thing, every carbon right here is sp2 hybridized. Okay? So it has got p orbitals right here in conjugation. It has got p orbitals right here parallel to each other. Right? But at the same time, it has got only how many pi electrons are there involved in the circumferential resonance right here? Is it going to be aromatic? Is it going to be aromatic? Let me know fast. No way, it's not going to be aromatic. Yes. What about this one? What about the second one? 4n plus 2. First of all, every carbon right here is sp2. That means it is complete cyclic conjugation. Complete cyclic conjugation, right? Now check the Huckel's rule, 4n plus 2 pi. Yeah, it's having 2 to 4 to 6. Exactly 6 pi electrons are involved in the what? In the resonance right here, in the circumferential resonance right here. Definitely, it's going to be aromatic. Okay. What about this one? What about this one? This negative charge. First of all, every carbon right here is sp2. If every carbon right here is sp2 hybridized, definitely it's going to be what? Complete cyclic conjugation. Now this negative charge with the lone pair right here, it's in conjugation. I mean, it takes part in resonance. Okay. So how many pi electrons right here do we have involved in resonance? 6 pi. So it's following the Huckel's rule. It's again going to be aromatic. Okay. What about this one? Is it going to be aromatic? It's not going to be aromatic, right? So second and third are the ones which are going to be aromatic among the 4, yeah? Right? Second and third are the ones. Perfect. Let's move on to one more question which is on your screen. This question I've solved a few minutes back, yeah? This is repeated, I don't know why. In this, the statement number 1 and statement number 2 both were wrong, yeah? This statement we solved a few minutes back. Few minutes back we solved it, okay? Yes? Okay, well, this question is directly again from NCERT, yeah, as I told you in the beginning. Okay. Types of pollution during day in presence of O3. Let me know first. O3, guys, what does it do? O3, what does it do? Tell me fast. Absolutely, guys, it's going to oxidize the smog. The correct option was supposed to be option D among all, yeah? Again, the question directly from your NCERT, yeah? Correct? Well, this was your chemistry paper, guys. We could get around 20 questions, which I solved right here in front of you. Rest 5 questions, when I'll be getting them, okay, I'll be again coming live. Yes? Okay, now people, Shreyas Sir will be following after me. Okay, Shreyas Sir will be coming up right here after me. Okay, I mean, he got few more questions from the students, so he'll be directly coming up after me. But before closing the session, let me tell you, we have started the JEE 2021 crash course right here. Okay, for the ones who are going to write the JEE Mains in April and May, for you guys, this is going to be the best thing which you can have right here. If you want to increase your score by 30 to 40 marks, definitely this is the best thing which you should take in. Yeah. Well, people, the first and the important thing, you are going to get trained by the teachers of your choice. Number 1. Number 2, at the same time, no need to worry about the test series, mock test. Everything is included right here in this crash course. And at the same time, we are going to cover your whole syllabus, okay, in this crash course, and that too by the teachers of your choice. Yeah. and it's going to be a two-way learning interactive platform wherein you can ask your doubts anytime to your master teachers, right? Do get enrolled in this. It is definitely going to be beneficial. Trust me, you're going to get increase your score. I mean, you can increase your score by 30 to 40 marks. Trust me on that. Okay. Well, there's a link in the description box of the video. You can click on the link, use the coupon code WSCC if you want me to personally train you in this crash course. Okay, WSCC is your crash course code which you can use and you get the 30% off right here. Okay, and after the 30% off, after using this coupon code, at the same time I'll be training you personally. Yeah. Well, Denzel, someone is saying, sir, what was the difficulty level? I couldn't find any difficult question right here. All these questions were memory based. Okay, these were very easy questions. Right? These are memory-based questions, majority of them. Alright guys, there is one more link in the description box of the video, that is for the Telegram. Do click on the link, get added to the Telegram group, stay updated about the classes. And for the ones who have not liked the video yet, please do like the video, share and subscribe the channel at the same time so that everyone gets benefited out of these sessions. Okay? Well people, we'll be coming back live for the JEE Mains paper second discussion at night. So stay tuned, we'll be coming up soon. Okay? Now I'm going to hand over this to Shreyas Sir. He'll be joining in and you guys have the physics discussion now. It was nice meeting you. Take care guys. Bye-bye.